Good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a great day today. What's going on? How are we doing? Yes, sir. Where the W's at? Hey, good morning. Happy Monday. Let's get to it. It's another day, another opportunity, another week, another opportunity to get things done here today. There is no other name before it. Yes, sir. And yeah, hey, the Lord said to me this morning, my son Nick, the harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few. And we're going to bring the workers in the field today, and we're going to have more and more and more and more and more people getting free, more people living life on their own terms, doing what they want to do, when they want to do it, with who they want to do it, for as long as they want to do it for, right? Freedom, baby. Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. That guy TK's in the building. Good morning, Walls in the house. Scott, what up, Scotty boy? Z Gamers in the house today. What up, Luca? Got a trade. C4's in the building. What up, Big Folk Red? Shiro with the Monday dab. Dr. Dex, what up, bro? Christian, good morning, good morning. What up, Leo? What up, Santiago? David Tots in the building. What up, Prickly? What up, Adam? Good morning, Adam. Adam got a payout coming. Yes, sir. Yeah, Muhammad, what's good? What's good? What up, John? What up, Heart of the Day? Hero of the Day. Hero of the Day. Ghost of me. Who else we got here today? If you normally don't type in the chat, type in the chat. Let's see the name here today. Let's see what we got. If you don't normally spam a W in the chat, let's spam some W's in the chat today. Come on, we got to get that energy going. We're gonna start the week off right. Good morning, Warren. Morning, Warren. What up? What up, Dennis? What up, Ann? What up, DL? What up, Henry? Morning, Henry. Who else we got here? Oh man. Oh, chat. Hey, we're flying. Good morning, Vanessa. 92222. What up, Classic Traders in the building? Oh damn, nursing 46. Who else we got? Who else we got? Kelvin. Good morning, Kelvin. Good morning, Pete H in the building. Shiro just straight dabbing. Gotta love Shiro just dabbing away. What up, Dale? Oh yeah, we in the house today. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope you guys are all doing great. Hope you guys had an awesome weekend. I know I sure did. I enjoyed it, but man, it is good to be back. It is good to be back. Give me one sec here. Let's pop this light on, see if it makes me look extra bright here today. Whoa, okay. Lights, camera, action, gang. This thing's getting serious now. Hey, I finally pretty much put together my whole setup here. Just waiting on a few other things and we should be good to go. Maybe I'll do a video about the setup or something cool like that. We'll see. But yeah, missed you guys over the weekend. It feels good to be back at the desk with anticipations of some good moves here this week. So we were very, very patient last week, weren't we? Some of you guys messaged me saying, hey man, respect, bro. Respect. That was the most patient I ever been in my life. And you know what? That's how trading is done. That's how trading is done. When there's not an opportunity for you, you got to be patient, right? You got to sit out, you got to hang tight, and you got to let the markets do what they need to do. And remember, we're negotiators here, gang, right? And we're strong negotiators. So we want our deal or no deal. Good morning, Rapid Max. All right, the chat has finally slowed down a little bit. Here we go. Good morning, Nick. Happy new week. How many monitors do we need for Forex trading? All you need is a laptop or a smartphone and a skill set, right? The main thing you need is a skill set. It doesn't matter how much your setup cost, what you got, how many monitors you have. As long as you have the skill, you can pay the bills, right? Yeah. Can you check GJ? Yeah, we're gonna get into all that real quick. What time is it? 6:58. Let's take a look here. Hey chat, we got US 30 up here, by the way. Yeah. Yup. Yeah. This is nice. We're coming back down now. Beautiful. Okay, let's get started here. Let me just take a look. One moment. Let me just look at gold here. Yeah, we're coming back down now. It looks like we broke the... No, we did not break daily highs here. So, all right, cool. Let's do this top-down analysis. You guys ready to go? Let me lower the music just a little bit. Hey, yo, where the mods at? Where the mods at? Mods in here? I seen Scott. Oh, we don't have 300. Oh, we don't even have nowhere near 300 likes. Yeah, we can't even get started on that breakdown yet. Yeah, we can't get started on that breakdown until we get 300 likes here today. So once that happens, we can get going. But in the meantime, I'm gonna set up the Zoom and I'll just wait on you guys, you know? I'll just wait for you guys. It's your world and I am just living in it. Yep, that's the deal here. And honestly, I think we need 400. I think we need 400 here today. It's Monday. Let me get Zoom all set up. Okay, cool. All right, let me get the Zoom link out to the Discord here. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join right here. We got over almost 3,000 people in the Discord now. Holy! Holy! Let me just put this down. Oh. Wow. All right, let me just fix something here and here. Okay, perfect. Let me share my screen. And hopefully by the time I look back, we're at 400 likes. Hopefully. Otherwise, I might have to take a secret trade here at this 1 hour close. Might be a secret. Okay, cool. All right, Discord is good. We're good. Sharing screen. Hey, if you're not in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord, by the way. Link is in the description or in the chat. You're more than welcome to join our free Discord. We'll talk a little bit about this in a little while. But yeah, let me just get everything X'd out here. And I think we are good. Let me check the likes here. We got to be at 400 likes. Let's check the likes, see if we're good. Oh, we're almost there. Almost there. I believe we can get there. Yeah, how many people here? Yeah, 700. Yeah, 700 and 400. That adds up perfectly. Go up or down? Come on. Almost there. We must have 400. Yeah, gang. Hey, what up, Joe Stewart? How was the gym, bro? How was the gym? All right. All right, do we have 400 likes yet? No, we don't. Oh my goodness, that is very surprising. Gang, what's going on here? What is going on here? Monday morning, what are you guys sleeping? You guys are sleeping. I'm about to take some sells here. All right. What do you guys think of USD news today? Yeah, let's take a look at the news here and see what we got going on the Forex factory. Okay, cool. So yeah, it looks like we just have some news at 8:30. It is a red folder, so we will be expecting some volume from that. And you know, once that gets out of the way, I think we are pretty clean to move into the later part of the session here. So we'll see what happens with the news, but not much on our plate here today. Not much on our plate here today. We just need to follow price action, right? So, okay. I don't know if you guys got 400 likes, but I need to get my day started here, right? Let me take a look here. 407. All right, perfect. Okay, cool. Yeah, man, come on, man. Waiting on you guys, like waiting on Christmas here today. You guys still sleeping on this Monday, lovely Monday? That's all right. No big deal. All right, let's run this top-down analysis here. Let's see where we're at for gold and what's going on here today. So today is the 17th, right? Monday, July 17th. We're back at it another day. Let's take a look at gold, do a top-down analysis, and see where we're at. You know, like what are we talking about here? Well, we're in the rejection zone, and we've been in this area quite a few times. Looks like we've rejected not once, not twice, but 3 times here. And if we're rejecting 3 times and we look left and we look to see, hey, what happened every time we rejected? Well, it looks like we created a support and price pushed down into these levels, right? Created a support, price pushed down into these levels. We've created, resistance, and price has created that resistance here again. And you know, now that we can say we are starting to come down here, right? Now this monthly candle is putting up a fight in terms of giving us a top wick. So we'll see what it wants to do. We do know that the weekly did come into that rejection zone here. Let me just lower this just a little bit more. Yeah, we do see that the weekly did come into that rejection zone. So let's take a look at that, right? Because if this monthly wick has respected the high of the previous candle, then we should be good to continue down. Now, if this high breaks the high of the previous candle, then we may have a different story ahead of us. But for now, let's take a look because it is respecting. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame has been giving us the big issues, right? It's been putting up another pair or another time frame that's just been putting up a fight, right? You can say we were in these ranges earlier on, a couple weeks back. We did get this candle to close below the range right here. That candle right there did close below the range, and it looks like we came down, created support and a new resistance, right? And one thing we could say is that the candles attempted to close back above this level of support right here, if you guys can see that, right? This level of support right here. Price tried to push back up 2 or 3 times, but just was unable to make that happen, right? So what happened? We created a resistance and we started to push down at that point, right? This resistance was formed. This next candle drove down, and then we created a new support here. So this is the idea, right? What I see here is a lower high. I see a lower high, and it seems to be duplicating what has happened earlier, right? You see price had pushed down, right? Broke below the support here, tried to push up and close back above it, attempted and failed. Price pushed down again, closing now below this support, or this at one point resistance, and now price is coming back up to test these levels here. So let's see what happens, right? Do we see another push down, or do we see price start to retrace to come back up? That's the big question here. That's the big question on this weekly candle, is that are we going to close above that level to continue up, or are we going to create some sort of resistance here on the weekly time frame to look something like this as the monthly candle now looks to move bearish, right? And continue down on that higher time frame. So, you know, we don't know yet. All we have is data to go off of. And one thing we could say is that we did close bullish, but we did close right at a resistance level here at 1960. So let's take a look at the daily time frame, because that's going to give us more of an edge here today. Because if we're looking for positions here, we got to go based off this daily time frame. Now, one thing we could say is that we obviously closed bearish here, right? Obviously closed bearish on the higher time frame on this daily time frame. If we're looking left, we can say we did close bearish, and we did close below this level here, right? We closed below that level of support. Therefore, we should continue down. We've already broken the lows, which is good news. We have clean traffic right here to cruise down into retrace CPI, the move from CPI, and that may be what we do here today. So I am definitely looking for sells here. as we have closed bearish, forming a resistance. We have broken the lows, and now it's just a matter of where can we find ourselves from, right? So taking a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame has created a support, but it did close below this level here. So I think what we may see here is somewhat of a 4-hour fake out coming back into the range for price to be able to continue down here today at some point, right? Either this closes very weak and then we get a fake out looking like that for price to continue down, or we just close bearish, right? And then the next 4-hour just drives like this. So that's exciting. We could anticipate something like that here today, but we got to see that starting to line up on the lower time frames, right? Because right now we are bullish, and if we do close above this support level here, I do believe you will see the next 4-hour candle push up, right? So it's all about where this closure happens. This support is very, very big, 1956 here on gold's 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 1-hour and see where we're at. So 1 hour has closed bearish. We are creating that resistance. We did push up. We broke out of this range finally. Pushed back up, you know, above 1956. And now I think if the 1 hour time frame can let's take a look at the 30 here too. Yeah, see, this is the main support that I was looking at earlier, but now I think we can look towards going back to the 1 hour. There's a support right here. So if we can get a close below that support level, I think price can continue down here today. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes pretty clean as well. So really what we're looking for is somewhat of a closure below these levels here. So that way we could be confident we could take advantage of this clean traffic to the left hand side. Let's take a look at the 15 as well. Yeah, we have a very strong resistance up here. So not going to be looking to take any buys. I will take buys above here because this would be a range 2, but I'm not going to take buys in this area here, right? I want to see somewhat of a support being formed down here for price to continue back up, because that is a range 2 at this point. So I wouldn't have jumped on this buy right here because that's still a range 1. Although there's clean traffic to the left, that's where fake outs happen, right? No one expects to be faked out. It's always going to look pretty when it comes to a fake out. So these you needed range 2 buys above. Now if we come down to create support, then we could possibly take our buys coming back up. If we close below here, then we could start to anticipate taking sells moving back down. So that's what I'll be looking for here today on gold. Let me just mark this off. Just trying to find the range here on the 30. Yeah, the 30 minutes a bit tough, but the 1 hour looks pretty clean below that support. We closed below, we got clean traffic to the left. There's even more clean sells below 1952 here today as well that we can certainly take advantage of. Very, very clean traffic down here for gold sells today. So we'll see what happens. I am going to just wait on some market structure here and maybe 1 or 2 candles to close just to see what's going to happen here. I don't believe we're going to get a strong push on this current 1 hour / 30 minute candle. I do believe that we are going to wait for the NY open here. So if we get a support being formed, then we may be able to take our buys coming back up for a range 2 breakout. If not, we'll look for closures below here and closures below here, and we'll take our sells coming back down, pretty much anticipating the daily candle to flip bearish and start driving here today. So that's the day. That's the day on gold. Buys are going to be we could take sells below here. We could also take range 2 buys above here. So let's wait on that, see what happens there. But that's pretty much what the day's looking like here on gold. Yeah, and then we can maybe take more buys above here. Yeah, buys are very choppy here. Very choppy here today. Yeah, we'll see about buys. I think the only way I'll take buys as of right now is if we create support down here, because that's our range 2 breakout, right? This is basically our range 1 right here that we were in last night, and then this is our second range right here. So this blue range, this is our range 2, right? Because you created a resistance, you created a support, price closed above, we couldn't take our buys here, right? So we need to wait for a retracement, a support to be formed, and then we take our buys coming back up, and that'll be a range two position right there. So yeah, that's gonna be the day. We'll look at buys again. Buys are pretty choppy, right? You guys can see this up here. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. For now, I'll just keep it above there. And then in terms of where are we taking profit here today, right? There's a lot of room. There's a lot of range for gold to drive down on here today. If we get sells and if we get those closures below the ranges that we're looking for, we can really come downtown here. So let's take a look at our first area of interest down here to the left hand side, right? So one thing I noticed is this area right here. Very, very strong area right here. I think that we could look to, yeah, I think we could look to take profit right here. Is going to be target number 1 here today. That's going to be at 1945. And then, you know, there's more and more clean sells below, let's see here. Yeah, probably right in this range, man. So we got a lot of range here today. A lot of range to come down. A lot of range for price to retrace. So that's what we'll be looking at. Let's just wait on it. Let's give price time, right? This is what I said. Some of you guys jumped on these sells here. It's not the best idea. So I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna see where we're at in terms of this candle closure, and then that's where we're gonna look to anticipate taking positions. All right, sound good? So this is all clean. This is all clean. This is our money right here. This is where our money's sitting today. This is where Time to Eat's money's at, right here. Possibly below here as well. So this is how much range there is here today. Don't jump the gun. Don't try and take your sells just yet. You know, wait for a separate range to be formed here. Wait for some things to look familiar, right? Right now we're just in this chop, right? You don't want to be in the chop, as Uncle Scalp says. So stay away from the chat, man. But yeah, that's the day here on gold. Simple. Simple, simple. Let's get rid of this. Why are sells not good? Previous daily close bearish. Well, sells are great here today. As you can see, the green area in which I just drew out, that's where my sells are going to be at today. That's where my sells are going to be. I'm on the chop right now. Uh-oh. It's like going fishing, baby. Yeah, I was talking with this about someone this weekend. A lot of you guys think that you're not traders because you sat here last week and you didn't take many trades. But if we were sitting in a boat with our fishing poles out and we were in the water, just because we weren't catching fish at the moment, were we not fishing? Huh? Right? Makes sense now? Just because you're sitting here and you haven't taken a trade doesn't mean you're not trading, gang. It actually means you're trading like a professional. You're waiting for the highest quality setups, right? You're doing what professionals do. So just because you're not catching fish doesn't mean you're not fishing, right? And what happens when you think, you know what, this isn't fishing? Let me just jump right here, right in the ocean, in shark-infested waters, because that's what the market is. The market will rip you apart, gang, if you don't know what you're doing. Trust me, I've been there. All right, it's like fishing on a good boat, waiting for fish, thinking that, you know what, this doesn't make sense. We're not fishing. Let me jump into the water right now, and the water is filled with sharks, and you just get ripped apart. So stop trying to go out and dive into the water and catch your fish, and just let them come to you. Let them bite on your hook, right? Let them bite on your hook and let them come to you. Cool. Why am I not taking the current 1 hour sells? Because now we're in a range. Now we're in this range here. So you can't just, you have to see the range, right? Sells below here are much better, much cleaner. Yeah, remember, the market's job is to manipulate you. It's to trick you. So yes, we can come down for sure, but I'd rather take my sells with a closure below that range. It's got to get there somehow. So if you're in the position, I mean, it's got to get there. I believe it can. But I'm going to wait, right? Because price could just kind of mess around in the range for a little bit until it actually breaks out and then has the drive. So I would just wait for a close below. Nothing wrong with it if you're in the position already. It's fine. It's a 1 hour onion play. I just think it could be a little too early. Bring out the whole ocean, right? You tell them, bring out the whole ocean. Don't forget Zoom. Zoom should be good. Yeah, Zoom should be good. Yeah. Oh man, gang, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Zoom link is out. My apologies. I thought I pressed enter there. So sorry about that. Okay. As the Zoomers start to enter in. Bring out the whole ocean. Here they go. Please, hey, everyone, please. I got it saved as you guys are automatically muted, but if you're not muted when you come in, just please mute. We don't want to hear about what you're having for breakfast. We don't want to hear you calling out to your wife, telling, bring out the whole ocean. Future FX, what up, brother? What's good, my dude? All right, everyone's coming in now. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Oh. Got one. We got one.
Yo.
There he is.
Good morning.
How we doing, Mr.
Doing
Sam?
wonderful, brother. How are you doing?
Fantastic.
Fantastico. Estoy bien.
Fantastic. Let's see, do we need to lower the zoomer? The zoomer?
Oh, you might.
We'll do it right off the jump here. All right, cool. All right, yep, good morning, everyone. Yeah, if you guys can mute your mics, that'd be perfect. El Capital is in the building. Let's pull up Sam I am here. The boy.
That Spanish on point. Mi español es muy bien. Yeah, how's everyone doing this morning? Is everybody here to practice their discipline muscle? Just like Nick was saying though, I think we'll get rewarded for being super patient. I think all of our waiting will soon pay off.
Yes. I've seen it happen many times to not expect it.
Yep.
So how you doing today, Sam?
I'm doing pretty good.
Happy Monday. You ready for
Monday.
tonight? Tonight, hey, Monday.
Yes.
I'm fired up for today's stream, but I'm even more fired up for tonight's Bible study in the war room, man. This is gonna be hands down life-changing stuff here today, gang. I promise you. Do not miss tonight. It's gonna be absolutely incredible.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a full student tonight.
Me too.
Notes, everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see, what do we got here? We got almost 1,200 people in the house. If we can get if you guys could like the stream, that'd be awesome. Oh, also sub to the channel as well. We're doing $100,000 plus worth of giveaways here pretty soon. Oh, starting 300K my Forex funds challenge today. Beautiful. That's amazing.
Super close to 10,000 too. I think we hit it this
Hey,
week.
yo,
I want
chat.
you guys to smack the subscribe button, smack the like button, and hit that bell. Dong! You know, get your notifications on for the best New York
Ding.
live stream.
Yeah, man. Hey, chat. We're doing well. We're doing really well. I gotta tell you guys, We are just rocking the internet right now. I've had a few pretty big names, people that if I said their name, you would know exactly who they are, hit me up and tell me, hey man, what you're doing there is just admirable. And you know, this the Lord's work, man. That's what I tell them all. People congratulate me, I just tell them, hey, God is good. And it's pretty unique what we're putting together here. So I'm super pumped to have all of you guys a part of this. And you know, the vision that it was just once a vision, right? 2 years ago in my own brain, in my own mind, and to see it coming together and to have all of you guys a part of it, man, it's just been incredible. Absolutely incredible.
It's a blessing. It really is.
Yeah.
War Room changed my life too, yo. So whoever, I seen some people talking in there about that, yo.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we're doing amazing things. I think we're a lot better than we think we are, even though we know we're great.
Yeah, definitely. So much potential within us, gang. Just got to take hold of it. Society has us doing things that limit our potential. I was reading a little bit about some stuff this weekend, and you know, not to call anyone out, but at one point in 1890, there was a man who was overweight. He was probably like maybe 300 pounds or something, and this man was a freak show. He was in the circus because there wasn't many overweight people at all, right, back then. And now you can catch 20 of those guys in Walmart on any given day.
Yep.
So society has us eating the wrong things, thinking the wrong things, saying the wrong things, doing the wrong things, gang. My mentor told me, look at the masses and do the opposite. That's what I'm telling you, gang, you guys today, gang. Look at the masses and do the opposite. Seriously, right now, like, stop what you're doing and do the opposite of what the masses are doing. Because if you want different results, then you need to do different things. And not only do you need to do different things, you need to think different thoughts, you need to speak different words, you need to read different things, right? You need to get your, whatever you're watching, you need to change it up. You need to change it up.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah, whether it's music that you're listening to, you know, that you know, you start putting in your subconscious mind, whether it's whatever you're watching, whatever you're consuming.
Yeah. Yep.
Very important. Yeah, but
You were reading.
you know, just like Nick was saying, start separating yourself.
Separation, but
You know, a little bit every day goes a long way.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
You guys got to read the slight edge. Read the slight edge or the compound effect, and you'll see how much of a long way a little bit goes. And just like Sam said, and Sam knows that from personal experience now, right? You've done those little things consistently, and then now you see the fruit.
Yeah, absolutely, 100%. It's just the little things that separate you from the majority. Is really what it is. Whether it's, and you know, I the one thing that I've been paying attention to lately is how I feel. Well, not even paying attention to it, but completely disregarding it. Because you know what? I know that there's things that I have to do every single day that's gonna, you know, make me a better person at the end of it. And you know, sometimes putting off, you know, the short-term, what do you call it? Short-term little dopamine hits. Just putting those off and then feeling like a better person by the end of every day. It's like,
Yeah, it's rewarding.
oh, where is it? I just seen it in yeah. Therefore, if any man be in Christ, he is a new creature. Old things are passed away. Behold, all things are becoming new. Yo,
Yeah,
so like
yeah.
that's a quote. That's from Corinthians, but I love that, bro, because it's so true. I feel like that is so true with me and like the war room and everything. You know, I feel like I birthed myself into a new person. I'm
You
still
did.
the same old Sam, but I got a lot more. You know, I definitely pay attention way more than what I'm listening to. I don't listen to nearly as much. Like, I just think it's garbage, bro. Like rap music and like other things, you know, just consuming pointless garbage. You know, I have big dreams, me and myself, and you know, what kind of a man would I be if that's the kind of stuff that, you know, I'm promoting to younger people, people that I'm trying to
Yep.
lead.
Yep.
Like what?
Yep. Because either way you're leading. You're either leading them the right way or the wrong way. But either way we're
Exactly,
leading.
yeah.
at all times. At all times. Nah, I love that, dude, and I'm proud of you, bro, because you've
Thank
really
you.
made some headway, man. Seriously, like even when you just share some of those videos from like a year ago or 2 years ago, you could just tell the difference. It's incredible.
Thank you. Yeah, I think everybody has seen so much growth here, bro. Like man, like everybody's killing it
Yeah,
over at TTE.
yeah,
It's insane. And I wouldn't have made those changes and those sacrifices if it wasn't for, the men that I'm surrounded by. So I'm super grateful for, I can just name names, bro. I don't want to name names because I don't want to leave anyone out on accident. But
yeah.
you know who you are.
Nah, for sure, for sure. It's a community, right? It's meant to be shared. It's meant to be discussed among each other, and that's where the blessings happen.
See, J King, I like to agree with you. Just because you listen to rap too doesn't mean you're consuming crap. Trust me, I was very, 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 very into the whole media. I could just about sing you any rap song that there is. It's been made in like the last 5 years. But it really is like garbage in my opinion at the end of the day. Why would you sit there and play subconscious? Yeah, slide down the block, shooting up the ops. Like it's
Yeah,
just dumb, bro. And then subconsciously, that's what you're thinking. That's what you're telling yourself. And and then you fill yourself with hate, and you fill yourself with these things that like they're not gonna do anything good for other people, and they're certainly not gonna do any good for yourself.
no, that's so true.
But Nick has taught me, and like a lot of men or women, they like to go to that darkness because it makes them feel good, and I can attest to that. But once you realize it, it's like, oh yeah, I'm thinking about this, and I'm angry, and this is what I'm gonna do, and nah, bro, it's not how you should live.
Yep.
Learn to be grateful, forgive others, and just try to be the best person at all times. You don't gotta. Yeah.
Love it.
There's great Christian rappers who like this is the thing for me is I come to realize I like the beats more than I like anything else. Like the lyrics are just like someone said in here, mumble rap. Like it's just like they aren't even talking about
Yeah.
anything specific either, bro.
No, if you listen to what they're talking about nowadays, you would actually be pretty shocked. Yeah, check out the words. Go listen to what they're actually saying. Scary, man.
Yeah, bro.
Scary. Yup, new creation, man. Old one is dead, the new one is here. I'll listen to gangsta rap. Yeah.
Yeah. Like if you guys like your music, but this is the reason why I'm saying it is because I was a very, very, very like I'm playing that first thing in the morning to basically like the time I'm going to sleep, bro. And once you kind of realize what that's doing to you, it's kind of like bringing hate and like violence and other kind of things just to your inner self, bro. You don't want that there because I don't know, it just kind of, it's hard to explain, but I think you guys get my point.
Yeah.
I think that
thoughts are things,
absolutely.
Words are things. Whatever you consume, it'll take over you. So just just monitor it.
When you're singing and all that kind of stuff, like what did God do? He spoke first the world, bro. So when you're sitting there saying all this stuff, yeah, it's deeper than rap. What C4 said. I don't know.
That guy TK, hey, he's building an account for his wife's spending money. There you go. Happy wife, happy life.
Did the ops
Morning,
run
boys.
up on me? Oh, yo, good morning.
Morning, Nick. Good morning, Sam. How you guys doing?
Hello there,
Johnny
John.
boy.
Good morning, chat. Happy Monday, new week. Get me hype.
Yes, sir. Brother John.
You coming with the energy or what, Johnny boy?
Johnny boy.
Heck yeah, you
There
already
he
know
is.
it.
Hey, yo. Let's
Yo,
get
what
this-
Sam was speaking was money. Sam, you're speaking facts just before that.
Yeah, thank you.
Facts.
Oh yeah, they're missing you though, bro.
Those things changed my life. All those things changed my life.
Morning, boys.
Morning, Jose.
Hey,
Jose.
Jose, good morning.
What's
I
good?
love Sammy's words on a Monday morning. It's making me want to go sprint outside right now.
Let's go run and do backflips.
Facts.
I'm so hyped. It's awesome to hear his change.
100%. It's beautiful.
Yeah, and it's like, I think the biggest difference is just be self-aware to what you're doing. You know, I think that's the biggest thing. Be aware to what you're eating, be aware to what you're listening to, be aware of what you're reading, you know.
Yes, sir.
Facts. You got to remember when you're speaking to something, you know, you're not speaking to no one, you're speaking to yourself. You know, and
Yeah.
one comes to believe what one repeats to oneself, right? So you just got to be aware of that. Like Sam said.
Yeah, what does the word say? Guard your heart, right? Above all else. Everything flows from it. Let me just send this.
Chat, good morning. How y'all doing? Another day to build upon our discipline and patient muscles, right? Because we got the winning method, we got the strategy. Now we need to just build upon our mental skills, and that's what we're here to do today. And that's what the work is every day, day in and day out.
Day in, day out, baby. Why you have copied everything like Don Vo? Because Don Vo is a multi-millionaire and excellent trader, so I copied everything he does. You should try it. You should try it. Copy millionaires. Get into it. Sam, do you have a YouTube channel? I love what you shared. Sam's got a YouTube channel.
Yeah. Someone also asked if I stream too.
Maybe he'll start preaching
not
on
anymore.
that channel.
Yeah, maybe I will. Not anymore. This is the time. This is the place to be for the morning if you want to be on. If you want to come to the best New York session live stream, this is the one to come to.
That's where it's at.
Sure.
Can you do a little rap battle? Hey, 992's in the building. Hey, 992's. You can come on Zoom and spit a little freestyle for us. Morning fan. Oh, morning
Micah.
Micah. Wait, what? Yeah, Micah.
Hey,
what am I saying?
fam.
Micaiah.
Yo, I love whenever you guys say Makai though. I think
That's
that
what I
should
was
be his name, bro.
saying.
Makai.
Yeah. What up, Nick Trade?
Sam the goat. Hey yo,
Sam the goat.
that's Pakistan in the building. Shout out Pakistan.
Hey, where'd the other guy go about copying Don? Where'd you go, man?
He didn't like your answer.
Yeah. Yeah, shout out to Don Vo, man. I learned 75% of everything I do on a daily basis in the charts, I learned from him. So shout out to Don and Wix and all them guys over there. They've been just fantastic leaders, fantastic examples, and, you know, hopefully I could do the same thing for you guys.
Sir, same here. All love with Don Wicks.
There's Green. What up, Green?
Green. Green MG. Oh my god.
Yeah, shout out to DVS, man. They were my, it's like a home church, right? They were like my home stream for a while, and then I started my own church, right? It's growth, baby, you know, like Don did that not so everyone could just sit there on his channel for life, right? Same thing with me. I'm doing this not so you guys could sit and watch me for life, but so you guys can develop the skill set that you need to go out and trade from anywhere in the world. You don't need a streamer. You don't need anything besides your laptop and your internet, right? That's the idea. The goal here is to not make people dependent upon me, but to take my knowledge and transfer it to others so that they can see the same exact results that I do without me, you know, having to be there.
Value.
Free value.
Yes, sir. Teaching them how to fish.
Loving the new clock addition to the overlay, Nick. Oh yeah. You guys like the clock? Oh, 7:38 on the dot. You guys like the chat? I think I gotta make some edits to it.
Heck yeah.
The chat's going away a little bit too soon, right? It's fading away, so probably gotta change that. But other than that, it looks a lot better.
It looks good.
Trying to
I
trade
like
from
it.
the boat. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, I like it too. W's.
My
I like
God.
the clock too.
Yeah, the clock. We
Hell
got
yeah.
we do a little clocking.
Gotta make sure the overlay's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do a little timing.
Chat.
The front is too squashed in the chat. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I gotta fix it a little bit. What are you guys doing in Tampa on the weekend besides fishing and hunting alligators? Hey. Who cares if Don's... Hey, yeah, you guys be pocket watching way too much. Let's all worry about our own money, our own bank, right? You guys are just looking too much. Don't worry about what that man makes. Just know he be making it. Just know he be making it. And just worry about you. Are you making it? That's what we need to worry about. The man or woman in the mirror. We do a little trolling. Y'all pocket watching, man. Just wait on it.
Yeah, how is what anybody's bank account balance gonna help you?
Yeah. Yeah, I hate when you guys come on here and try and be like, this guy lost this guy lost that. It's like, yo, that guy lost whatever he planned on losing. And whatever he planned on losing is probably more than you ever made in a year. So for you to even bash someone for anything like that is just, it just shows where you're at.
Yeah, and you guys are actually looking at the actual dollars of like an account, but you're not looking at the account. Like yeah, it could be $20,000, but it's 2% of the account. So
My wife's account balance going down. Yeah, that actually reminds me. I need to send my wife about. Probably send her a little, maybe a band or two, a rack or two. Let's send
Something
that.
slight.
Let's send that now. Yeah, let's send that right now.
Count the pips, not the money. Yes, sir.
The clock could pop a dot. Oh no, these aren't my new headphones, gang. I had to order them. They didn't have any. I got the silver ones, but they didn't have any in stock. They only had the black ones there. So it's okay. I ordered them anyway because I got this mic too. So be bringing a mic out here, but I need to wait for another piece for the mic. So that comes in on Thursday. The headsets come in on Wednesday. So yeah, we'll use that later.
Wait, what's
on
wrong
this
with
week.
that headset you have?
Oh
no,
no, nothing's wrong with it. I just got a new one.
Was it that white? Like I saw you put a pull up. It was like white or
Yeah.
black. Is that the white one that you were looking at, or is it?
Yeah, I
different?
got the white ones, but these aren't them.
Oh.
These are the ones I've been using.
Oh, those white ones you were looking at are different.
Yeah, those are the Apple ones.
Oh, I didn't know they made headphones. Actually, I did, but I forgot about it.
Yeah, man, we got the setup pretty much taken care of for the most part. A couple little things. I got a few things coming for the wall. I didn't order the Time to Eat logo yet. I got a question. How is that gonna read Time to Eat and not read backwards? Do I have them make that a certain way, or what?
I don't know. Let's try it out. I'm gonna draw something and then like
Draw on your wall, Sam.
wait here. This candle. Can you read it?
Yeah,
Yeah. Actually, so yeah, you should just be able to get it.
Oh. gotcha.
Like normal.
maybe it's something with the camera.
Yeah, I know that like
Camera settings.
there's a setting on Zoom where you can rotate your camera, like flip it around.
Gotcha.
I don't know how to do it though.
Yeah, I got a
That makes
couple
sense.
cool little pieces that we're gonna put on the wall back here, and it'll be all good. I think all in all, what did I shoot? My budget was like what, like 7K? I think we fell like right around 7K for the setup, so it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad at all. Feels good. Mike make you look professional.
Yo.
Oh, I'm a professional now. Is it safe to trade before news? I wouldn't. You notice how this candle has not done anything, right? Hasn't
Makes
done
sense.
nothing yet. So the black ones are fire. I really like the black ones, but my wife and Jose and and a bunch of other guys are like, yo, go with the white. So I was like, because you know all my computer stuff here is white.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I
So
voted
yeah,
white just for that reason.
yeah, I think that's the
I
best
do like the
decision.
black ones though, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, I said the same thing, Sam.
yeah.
I said the same thing.
I mean, I like black and gray. That's kind of like my style, but this kind of goes with everything I got going here. So I think white was the right decision. Okay, let's do another breakdown here. Let's take a look at the pound yen and US 30 here today, really quickly. So GJ, right? GJ has closed bearish last week, leaving us a very nice wick fill here. If we look at the daily time frame, we did close bullish though. So this was your push down on the weekly time frame, and then the pullback to kind of create that wick right there. So let's see what happens. I do expect a weekly wick fill here. Daily did close bullish though, so we do have to wait for range 2 sells if we are going to attempt those sells here today. Let's see what we got going on the charts here. So 4-hour time frame has kind of been pushed down and then ranged for like 1 or 2 candles here, and now we seem to be pushing down. We tapped into that support level, so I think if we can close below there on the 4-hour, you'll have much more clean moves coming down. Let's take a look at this, what this looks like on the 1-hour. 1-hour, we have a support right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute as well. So yeah, I'm probably gonna look for more sells below there unless we can push up and create some sort of resistance up here, right? If we can get something to maybe let me use a different color, maybe push up like this, right? Kind of get a couple bullish candles there and then start to create resistance, then maybe we could look to take our sells, you know, coming down at this point to continue down. So we'll see what happens there on pound yen, but it's either an onion off of resistance or just a simple breakout closure below here today. That's about it. Other than that, there's really not much else to talk about on pound yen. So we'll look for sells below this 180 480 zone, and then possible resistance formed up here. If not, we can maybe look to take our buys going up. So we'll just leave that. We'll leave that sells below there too, and then we'll obviously know that we could take our buys pushing up. Are you and John brothers? Yes. Yep. Start withdrawing every day so I could stop trolling my boys. Yeah, there you go. Take that money while you got it. Which prop firm do you like? Any tips for setting up my first challenge? I'm going to set up the copy trader to my personal account. I like my Forex funds so far the best. So I have a 100K live account with my Forex funds. The payouts are amazing. Some of you guys, you know, I took a $6,500 withdrawal the other day. You know, that hits your bank account in 24 hours with my Forex funds. Most of you guys know I'm also in a challenge phase with a 400K account with the funded trader currently, and I'm sitting about 2% in profit on that account. So I don't know how their withdrawal process is yet. I believe they use deal as well, so it shouldn't be any different than my Forex funds, but I can't give you my personal opinion just yet because I haven't taken a withdrawal with them or anything like that yet, but I'll keep you guys posted as that happens. But yeah, any tips for my first challenge? Yeah, well, you know, one thing I would say is get rid of the idea that you have to pass this challenge in 1 week. What I would do is I would just show up to the charts every day, let it come naturally to you, right? Just trade by trade by trade. Don't think too far into the future. Don't worry about what happened in the past. Remain in the present, remain process focused, stick to the playbook. If it doesn't line up with the playbook, don't take the position. If it does, take the position. Don't worry about the outcome of one given trade. Look at the outcome of a series of 10 or 20 trades. And that'll most likely, if you're really being disciplined and applying the playbook to your trading, At the end of those 10-20 trades, you'll most likely have your desired result. Just make sure that discipline is in place and don't deviate. Don't deviate.
1000%.
Dirt.
Trade it like you already have the account too. You know, like Nick said,
Yep.
do the same thing for phase 1 that you're gonna do for phase 2, and then when it's funded. So like, you know, if you got a playbook, you know, playbook doesn't change whether you're on phase 1 or phase 2 or already funded.
Yep.
So, you know, just treat it like you already are funded once you get it, because, you know, that's how you're gonna trade it anyways. I'd hope.
Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Yeah, Sam, that's so true. Just trade the account like it's yours.
Yeah. Because it's like, why would you do anything different? You know what I mean? Like, if you have a strategy, you know, that works. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Yep.
If it ain't broke,
Exactly.
don't fix it.
Yep. As long as you come every day with your strategy, your plan, you know, and the correct mental skills, you're gonna succeed long term.
1000%. 1000%. Once you get that like faith to, you know, let me just try this out, following the plan for a month or 2 straight, and then you see the results, man,
Yep.
right there your life will change.
100%.
You'll never want to go
And
back.
that's the dope thing about the plan, right? We know what we gotta do before we even do it. Like, we
Yeah.
know what the plan is before we arrive for our day. We know we're looking for these setups, and if these setups don't come to us, then we don't trade today. We only take a trade if these setups come to us.
Yeah, 1000%. Yeah, and then it's like, no matter how the market looks that day, we're still gonna do the same thing no matter what anyways. That's why the plan is MVP. The same thing no matter what's going on. That's how you
Yes,
get good
sir.
at it too, you know? Just come and follow it every single play, every single day, every single, you know. It's just like you and the plan become one.
Exactly. And you'll really start to see the results of it show when you start to be disciplined to that plan.
I would feel wrong if I started taking trades. Like, I'd be like, yo, what am I doing? Like, if I started taking trades that weren't following the plan, or doing things that weren't part of the plan. You want to build it up so that you know the plan so well that whenever you step outside of it, you feel guilty.
Yeah.
Guilty.
100%.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, and
You should.
some of you guys just need to learn how to use your imagination a little bit too. Like, hack you guys know I love playing these little mind tricks on myself, right? And you could use this for anything in life. Like, even when it comes to cold showers or cold plunges, you want to get in there easy, just literally make up a story in your mind. Sometimes I'll think my wife and children are up there. If I don't jump in this cold plunge right now without hesitation, then they're gonna cut the rope and they're gonna go boom, instantly gets me in, right? Some of you guys got to learn how to play mind games with your finances as well, and your challenge accounts. And just think, like me, man, I made up this whole thing in my mind about 2 years ago that I just got hired to work on a trading floor by a firm in New York City, and it was COVID, so we were working from home, and I had a senior trader that I was gonna get to trade under and learn from, Don Vo. And I was able to tune in and listen to him and learn from him. And I had already had the account. I just pretended, hey, I have $100,000 under management here with this company, and they want to see what I could do with it, right? They want to see my skill set, and that was what I did, you know. And I just sharpened my skill set with that type of mentality and mindset the whole time, and it worked for me. So maybe you guys could try it.
Yeah, I
Give it
think
a
it'll
try.
work for other people really well as well.
Sure.
I think so.
Red FX. When Nick was born, the doctor asked him to name his parents.
Red FX on it again, bro.
He's on it. He's on one.
He's on.
That's funny, bro.
That's hilarious.
The mods are in the building.
Mods.
Mod's got motion.
Yep. Playbook doesn't care about your feelings, about your dollars, about your percentages, about what you want to make. Nothing. What's my stop loss on 10 lots? Whatever the stop loss is, you know, whatever it is. In this case, if we got in sells, it'd probably be about 13 pips. So wherever the most logical stop loss is, that's where my stop goes. And my risk always changes according to how many points or how many pips that stop is. Don's your grandpa. You're not that guy. Shout out to the mods.
Yeah, TK, I love that. Market tells you your SL. Market tells you everything.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, just like you know, John says it a lot. You know, we let the market tell us what the market wants to do. That's why we're so like hell bent on being patient. Just let the market show you. You know, don't try and force anything.
Yep. Yeah. Gang, did you guys see how quick I called it on Friday? Once that candle closed, what did I say? That's it. We're done. That's it. We're done. And I don't want to bring it up because I know it's probably a horrible memory for some of you guys, but some of you guys went and attempted those sells anyway, and it did not turn out pretty, right? There was a reason that we didn't take a position, and you guys got to understand that. So instead of asking, or instead of just taking your position, taking your loss, ask why did I get in and why didn't he get in, right? What was it? And I'll tell you, it's simply, we never had a closure below, and I called it. And as the candle was, after it made a top wick, that candle was starting to flip, and I got back on my mic, right? And I said, don't do it. I'm telling you, you're going to regret it. I'm trying to save y'all here. It's Friday. You want to go into the weekend with a good feeling. And some of you guys just didn't listen to that, and the candle drove down, 7-8 pips, and then fired all the way back up and took all stop losses out, all stops out. And I really hope you guys weren't a part of that, but the sad reality is I know a bunch of you were, right? So
Goes without a plan. See,
Where
our
was
plan,
that?
our plan
Right here, right?
protected us.
Yep.
Our plan protected us of that loss.
Yep. Right here. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
We needed a candle to close below this, and we did not get that, right? You guys know we were ready to take these sells. We were all ready to take them, but candle never closed below here, therefore the position was invalid. And what happened was, while we were all singing glory to the Father, you jumped in to sell, and you paid a price for it, didn't you? So don't be that guy, right? There's a reason we didn't take those. Now, you have to take it sometime to learn and to figure these things out, like I had to do, but don't do it again. Try and stay away from that. Yeah, some of y'all were like, screw the YouTube guy. We got a ton of volume. We're filling this wick, no doubt about it. And
You're
it
not
was
that
over
guy
for you.
who takes bad wins and get away with it.
Yeah. And the reason you took that, is because over here you took a position that didn't call for a position and you won. I forget where that was. Right? We had a candle with no top, no bottom wick, and you guys jumped on it and I didn't. And you got to celebrate victory there. But guess what happened? You lost it all on Friday, right? So that used to happen to me all the time. I would get lucky by breaking my plan. The next time that opportunity came, I would break the plan again, because my mind instantly told me, hey, it could work out. It worked out last time, so it could work out again. And that's why you will never see me break my plan ever, because if you break the plan once, you'll do it again. And I'm done breaking the rules and breaking the plan. That Nick is totally, that dude's way gone at this point. You won't do that again, yeah.
Yep. You can win. You can be consistent and win certain trades throughout the week, and then all it takes is that one day where you go against your plan, right? And you feed into the emotions and you feed into temptation, and it takes that one day to lose it all that you gained this week.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it's always a bummer.
Facts.
and it's that one day you deviate from the plan, or you are undisciplined to the plan. So
Yep.
gotta always be disciplined. Preach it every day.
Yes. Somebody asked what percentage we take on our trades, right? 30 minutes. Yeah, so this is our spreadsheet here. This is the one I've been using for a long time at this point. Been using this for like 2 years now. So we do take a lot of positions based off the 30-minute time frame, right? 30 minute. If we look at June, we had a lot of 30-minute. Mostly 30-minute time frame. So I think 30 minutes our sweet spot. Probably my favorite time frame to execute off. But yeah, so we pretty much look at all that 30-minute. So we do a lot of 30-minute. We do a little 30-minute trades here.
Just a little.
Just a little.
Yeah, just a little. Something slight.
Something slight.
It's like,
Yeah, get ready because we're probably gonna start sending a lot more signals too during Asian and London, because Q3 is starting to pick up in those session times. I can tell. So
Yes, sir.
Alright, buddy.
Yo, is that
temptation
Unk?
is the greatest evil work. Oh yeah,
Morning, Sammy.
believe in your heart. Yeah, exactly. Morning, Uncle Scalp.
Morning, boys. Morning,
Morning,
Nick.
Wunk.
What's up, John? What's up, Jose?
Or Mr. Unk.
How we doing? How we doing?
Doing wonderful, brother. How are you doing this morning, brother?
Unk, is
good.
that you? He's here.
Brother.
Wunkle. Wunkle's in the
Mike.
building.
Micah.
Makai.
Uncle Daddy.
Daddy? Is that you?
hey, good morning, Uncle Scout.
Good morning, Johnny.
How was your weekend, pal?
It was nice.
Yeah, you had
we
fun?
had a good weekend. Yeah, we had a good time. It was my first time down in Cape May. It was good. It was nice.
Awesome. Looked nice.
Nice place. Yeah, it was a nice place.
Nice you're down there.
Yeah, it was cool.
Where's that at? Cape May.
It's
Oh, that's just in
literally,
Jersey, isn't it?
Sure.
yeah, like all the way down in Jersey, like 2 hours away from me.
Is
Two
it
and a
that's
half
part of the
hours.
shore, right down there? Like see,
Yeah.
like the Jersey
Yeah, I
Shore?
think.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like a few exits past like the Jersey Shore. Yeah.
gotcha. Okay, look at this candle closed bullish, 30-minute candle. So that's why we did not attempt these sells here. Closed bullish, right? Now that's the final closure of that 30-minute candle and that 1 hour candle. So we do have the NY open here now, and we do have news here in about 30 minutes. So let's see what happens with news, and then we'll look to see if we can move out of this range here.
What type of trader are you, Nicholas? Whoa. Why get so quiet, bro?
Right. Hey, we trade price action here. Scalp it. Listen to Nightbot chat.
Listen
Yeah,
to
Nightbot
Nightbot.
spitting.
Nightbot's a whole mentor in itself. LaRon's in the building. What up, LaRon?
They're on.
My guy.
Young King.
Young
Ron.
King. Young King.
Young King. Young Midas.
Do you trade trend breakouts? No. More like range breakouts I trade more than trend. Dubs in the chat. Hey. Use the candlestick strategy. Use the candlestick strategy. Yep. So now we're just wait on news here. We got news coming up. This 30-minute candle will close, then our news will pop off, and then we'll see where we're at after that. And I think we'll be able to get positions. That's all we got here today based for news. So once we get that out of the way, we're pretty clear based on the rest of the session. And you know, again, we have a lot of range here on gold to continue down here today. You know, if we catch sells from below this level, we could potentially have runners really run well here today. 150, 160 pips down. So looks pretty good. Flow state. Hey, there he is. Flow state.
Sir Laurent, you already know it.
Yeah, that's all we got. We do have some CAD news as well here at 8:30, so that should start to push some volume on this lovely Monday here into gold. Yeah, should be good. Yeah, sells are very, very clean. Had a $300 account, went up to 530. Oh, now I'm down to 63 in less than 2 weeks. Oh man, what happened, bro? Favorite vegetables: onion, celery, or Joe Biden?
Yeah.
Joey B.
Yeah.
Joey B. That's crazy.
There was videos of him sniffing around again this weekend. It's a little weird, but
I want to see it.
He smells that, bro.
yeah, got too confident in between news. Yeah, that's why I stay away from news, man, because news could give you a result that you don't deserve, right? Like, as a trader, you could be a solid trader and news could wipe you out, you know, and that's annoying, right? Like, you're a good trader, you attempt news, and maybe sometimes you win, but a lot of times you're gonna get wiped out. So I just stay away from news. I've surprisingly had pretty good results when I traded news, but it's always you know, I got lucky, let's just say that, right? I got lucky. So I don't trade news anymore for those reasons, because it gets pretty crazy. They're charging them up like a Tesla.
Yeah. Blow on a battery.
I make 10%
Yeah.
per month. Anyone interested?
Scary thing is, it's probably true.
David Johnson, how about you start your own stream there, pal? You've been selling stuff ever since you came in here, man. You're like a salesman. Not you're selling more than I'm selling. Come on, man.
Really? Come on.
He smells a later. Yeah. That is a fact. I was up 400% on the month. Traded news the other day. Ended my week only 200%. Ooh. Still pretty good. Still pretty good. 200% is pretty darn good to me. You guys know that that's not the real. Oh, of course. No way. That they don't even look alike. They could have done a little bit better job in the cloning. You guys, how do I join the signals group? You could join it, !signals, and you can find the link there. Salesman. What up, Yogi? Yogi L? I'm doing fantastic. How are you? You're not that guy. Weren't you looking for support? Yeah, but no bottom wick on this candle here. Dude's ears for those.
Good Sandman.
Yeah, bro, that's true.
Joe.
Sandman's in the building.
Shout out Sandman.
Sandman 4G. 400k account. Where, sir? The 400k account's running on a copy trader. Yeah, that's on a copy trader. I I haven't taken a trade since I sent this image here, but I'll show you guys where we're at on the 400k account. I think it was in prop firm. I'm not too sure. No, daily profits, right? Yeah, right here. Yeah, it's the current status of my 400k right here. So I've only taken 3 very small trades on this account, but yeah, I'm up about 2% on that. Yogi. Yeah. Hey Nick, is your copy trader quick on executions? Yeah, I believe so. Seems to be working really well. Just got my 200k credentials, no time limit. Nice. Let's do this. Yeah, there you go. No rush. No rush. What copy trader do I use? It's called the social trader. Yeah, social trader. Are you waiting for the 1 hour? I'm waiting for the news to come out. Is the 400k account what prop firm? Yeah, it's a 400k account right here, 400,000, and it's with the funded trader. Yeah, the funded trader. You start with how much trading? I think my first account was probably like 500 bucks, maybe even less. Why aren't you taking trades on the 400k? What do you mean? I am. Yeah, our record right here, 3-0 this month. These are the 3 trades that I took. That I took them on both accounts. Hey, yeah, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I think we may be able to hit 400k today. I mean 400. Hey, yo. I think we may be able to hit 10k today. 400k real soon.
I think so.
How much is the 400k? I don't know. All companies are different. I paid like 1,800 for this one. How to join your Telegram? I don't have one. Have you made only 3 trades this month? Yep, right here. These 3 trades. Two gold buys and a gold sell. 400k is funded, and 400k is in the challenge phase. Yep, I just took this out last week. 400k subs, yeah. I just got a 5k account, wanted to get that big one, but I want to establish confidence. Yeah. Listen, the first things first, you need to find consistency. Once you find consistency, then you scale up. That's how it goes. Don't do it the other way around like I did. You'll waste a lot of money. Yeah, this is good. This is real good. Real good, gang. Let's wait on this. Gold is setting up perfectly. Why didn't you go for the 400k account sooner? No reason. No reason. What's your bias on gold, Nick? I'm looking for sells below these levels here, and then maybe buys above here. What's the importance of wicks in a candle? Wicks are for ranges, so anytime a candle has a nice wick on it, there's a range for price to fill. So that's what I look for in terms of wicks, right? You need a top wick and a bottom wick, because most candles have top and bottom wicks, right? So if one doesn't have a top and bottom, like see this candle right here, no bottom wick, no range for the next candle to drive. So that's why you see the push up. Same thing here, very little bottom wick, next candle drove up. Same thing here, no bottom wick, next candle drove up. No bottom wick, next candle drove up, right? No bottom wick, candles drove up before driving down. So that's why you always need to have a bottom wick when you're looking to attempt sells. Drawdown applies with funded trade when in profit. Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, definitely.
Hey Nick, thanks for the scriptures on perseverance. Hey Pablo, no problem, man. Of course, brother. Of course. Was there any streams you watched while you were starting? If so, what was who was it? Yeah, I watched Raja Banks and Dombo. They were the 2 that really helped me out, really changed the game for me. I'm basically a student of theirs, and now I have my own live stream, right? So I took what they were giving, the value that they were giving, I applied it into my own trading, and then I said, you know what, hey man, I've been consistently profitable. You know, I love this strategy. It's something that I can teach, and that's when we decided to start live streaming. Yeah, man, I loved it. Their example was just incredible, so I wanted to emulate that. And you know, I'm not much of a spectator in life. I've never been that way. If I'm gonna participate, right, I want to be a player in the game. And you know, I knew that one day, like after I got profitable with trading, that you know, streaming was an option and maybe something I would consider doing. And because I like to play the game, right, I like to be the player. So yeah, we prayed on it, we visualized it, and it all came about. And now we're just getting started here. Just getting started. About to creep up on 10K subs. What do we got here? 9.5? Yeah, we got like 9.5 here. How did you go about building a Discord community? Was it YouTube live streams leading to growing Instagram, leading to growing Discord? You know what, Peter? It kind of all just took on a life of its own, to be honest, man. You know, my IG already did pretty well just because I was always giving out trading tips, but never live streaming or any of that. But yeah, the Discord, man, the Discord just gained a lot of momentum and just started taking on a life of its own along with the streams. And yeah, now we got about 3,000 in the Discord. We got, you know, almost 10,000 here on YouTube. So it's blowing up, man. It's blowing up. I saw a stream over the weekend from Raja. I laughed so hard. Yo, he's hilarious. That's my guy. Can you explain that resistance? Yeah, just a 1 hour resistance here. So so basically this was our first range. So if you guys don't know what range 1, range 2 breakouts are, exclamation point range 1, range 2 in the chat, so you can check out that video. But this was our first range, and we broke out of that. But in order to take buys here today, we need a range 2 breakout. So now this becomes our second range. Why? Because we have a support, we have a resistance. So that becomes our second range here. So very simple. You have range 1, and now you have range 2. So if you get a breakout of range 2, then price should be good to continue up, you know, and fill these levels up here. The one thing I could say is it's a little bit choppy, right? You know, up in these areas. So we'll take a look at how that looks. I personally don't even think we're gonna get that close above. I think gold's ready to start heading down here. So, but that's just what I think, right? We're only always gonna trade what we see, not what we think. So we just gotta wait. We got news coming out here, so
Wait on it.
let's wait on it.
Got
Just a
news,
few
got
minutes.
comics. A little motion.
Yeah, we got some motion. We got some motion. Prayer, vision, execution. That's all it really was, right? Prayer, vision, execution. That's it. God led me. You know, before all else, I'm a servant of God. I'm a servant of the Lord. I'm anointed to bring people to freedom, right? To bring that freedom to other people. I firmly, truly believe that. And, you know, God is just doing his work through me in the trading industry. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see. And I'm happy to be that one, right? When the Lord said, whom shall we call? Right? You can call on me. I'll go out, I'll lead the charge, I'll lead the way. I've always been fired up about helping other families achieve financial independence, financial freedom. So what better way to do it than trading and YouTube live streaming and coming together as a community? It's just a blessing. So new in this community, I'm happy to learn from you guys. Oh, awesome. Awesome. We're happy to have you here. We really are. And one thing that we preach on this stream is, you know, it's not just made up, man. I truly believe each and every one of you guys can achieve any single goal you desire. You just got to really buckle down, stay steadfast, and not let off the gas, right? The key to building anything successful is momentum. You know, and a lot of you guys will go really good and then you'll stop, right? You'll go really good and then you'll stop, and you know, things will happen, whether it's in trading or it's in life, and it'll slow you down. My mentor always told me, find a way to win, right? No matter what's going on in your life, find a way to win. Don't let that excuse knock you off the horse. And every time you go, and then you stop, imagine pushing a big boulder up a giant hill, and you go, and then you stop. You lose all your momentum. So what happens? That big boulder is going to roll back now. And now you got to start all over again, right? You got to muster up the energy now to get going again. Stay in flow state. Stay in that flow. Stay in that activity. And, you know, don't look left, don't look right. Just stay steadfast into what you're looking to accomplish, and don't let off the gas. You know, don't let off the gas. And if you can do that, man, we believe in you. We really do. We want to see each and every person succeed. I'm all about family victories, and I know what a huge victory financial freedom is, because it's happened in my family, right? My amazing wife, she gets to stay home here with the kids. The kids stay home all day with us. We raise them. That was just our vision, right? That's what we wanted to do. And that's what freedom allows you to do. It allows you to do what you want to do, right? If you want to do whatever you with your kids, you do it because you got the freedom to do it. So we believe in you, and we know that you're all endowed with the seeds of greatness. And, you know, you just got to stay process focused, not quit too soon. A lot of people just quit too early. Right? When the going gets tough, the tough get going and the rest just quit. Thank God we didn't quit. Thank God we didn't quit when the going got tough, because it got really, really tough. And I think that's going to happen in almost every entrepreneur's journey. At some point, they're going to put in work, and it's going to look like nothing's happening. And you're going to come to that point of, do I give in or do I keep going? Right? And that decision right there makes a champion. So just be a champion. Keep going. Don't quit. Yeah, we got comics open here, so we're pushing up here with the comics open. Let's see what happens. Do you think people who need a God to tell them what's right and what's wrong are too lazy to think for themselves? No, because by nature, humans love the darkness. By nature, men love the darkness. We love to sin, right? Sinning is a lot of fun, right? What's more fun, going to the club, or, you know, maybe not more fun anymore, but going to the club, getting drunk, having a good time, or sitting in church? Right? Sinning is fun. Naturally, we love to sin. I don't have to tell my daughter to go push my son over when he's trying to walk. She'll just go push him over anyway. Right? So sometimes we need a guide, we need a standard. And I think that's what's wrong with the world today is we've lost God, right? We've completely looked the other way on God. And I'm here to tell you, look at God, because that's a standard, and the standard that he provides is excellence. And it will raise the bar for you every single where you go. And it gives you an opportunity to not only understand how to get rewarded in life, but just how to live in life, right? Some direction, something to hold yourself accountable to. I think people are real lazy in terms of holding themselves accountable, but we need a thermostat, right? So we can keep the right temperature.
Yeah, amen. That's so true.
How did Magic Keys help you? It changed everything for me. Everything. My second time seeing your live stream. Oh, nice. Yeah, hopefully you sub to the channel. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, go ahead and sub. Were you a Raja Bank student? Yeah, Raja and Don. Yep. Tested the playbook on synthetic indices and it's making bank. Oh yeah, this will work with any pair. As long as it involves price action and candlesticks, which it does, then it'll work. You just gotta kind of figure out the pair, right? And then you're good to go. I don't know if he needs to hear this, but go get a job. Yeah. That's the Andrew Tate speech? Oh, really? Oh, yeah. I mean, it's just common sense, right? It's common sense. Yeah. Yeah, it's like having a really bad disease and thinking that you can just cure yourself. I mean, without anything, right? Oh, hello, gang. Hope you're doing good. Hey, good morning. Bazoom is in the building. Bazoom. Zoom, zoom. Okay, cool. So we got news coming out here. I think we may be able to, if we push through here, great, right? Because the cleanest trades are below there, below 1952. So if we can push down and push below 1952 and get a closure below there, something like this, that's gonna be perfect. We're gonna get in this. Our move will be right here. Take advantage of that move. Clean range. Let's see what happens. News is coming out in just a few minutes here.
Mod's working.
Andrew Tate was a fake person. Yeah. Would they clone him too?
Look at the ears.
He's an AI generated person.
You got a bleeder incoming. Bleeder incoming.
Nick, I sent you another soundboard thing you can use. I love that one, bro. Tell them to bring me my money.
Hey, for some reason the Discord got disabled, or not disabled, but for some reason when I play the sound, I don't think you guys can hear it. Let me try. He's a lizard. Hey, that might get us kicked off YouTube. Okay, let me go to Discord real quick. Wait
Austin, you smell that?
Hold on, you guys, can you hear this or no?
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
You can't hear that, right? All right, something happened with my audio here. You can?
Yeah.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry, it's a little trippy because I'm trying to hear both at the same time, but yeah.
Hey, chat.
Don't
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
All right, bet we're good. We're good. All the mods in here are cool as they are. Yeah, we're gonna have some new mods coming up. I'll be honest, it's tough. It's tough. It's a tough choice. And then there's more people coming on that are making this decision even tougher.
True.
We hear it. All right, cool. All right, we got our soundboard back, ladies and gentlemen.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
You're not that guy. Should I get into gold right now? Crap, I got in. It's pushing it back up. Oh my god. Close this. Oh god, now it's pushing back down. Yeah, we'll get the chat working better too, because I don't like how it's fading away too soon there. The playbook setups have been working very well. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Wonder how many people just rushed in. Yeah. Probably a lot.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called We Do a Little Trolling. Just wait on it.
All right, so we're back in action here.
Another one.
Yeah, we're back in action.
I wish that I could hear it on the Zoom though, bro.
Ah, no. Hey, it's almost time here, chat. It's almost time to go. You speak Spanish? You speak Spanish?
Mi español es muy malo, sir.
You speak Spanish? Quaking, they quaking. Hey, chat, you guys were quaking on Friday.
Yeah, that is true. Candle goes like this, 10 seconds. Close above.
Back up.
Sir. Cells.
You guys were quaking. You guys quaked all weekend, right?
I was. JK.
Some of you guys were really mad.
I don't do no quaking. Sam speaks it. It's so funny. That's how I try to do it. I try to speak it like fast, bro. Vámonos. Fast.
Vámonos. Why you marked 1945? Oh, that's gonna be one of our targets here today. So if we look left, we'll see. This is gonna be one of our targets here. Yep. Yeah.
Isn't there a lot of people in Florida that speak Spanish?
Oh yeah.
Like the one time I was there, yeah, bro.
Oh yeah.
I'll be fluent by
Especially
the time
in
I come down.
South Florida, a lot of people speak Spanish.
Where was I at? Orlando.
Wish I could post quaking in my Discord. Show MT5. MT5. Yeah, this will be nice. We can get a wick fill here too. Closures below here would be really nice as well.
Henry, yo aprecio. Sam speaks Portuguese? No.
People keep asking if he's in a trade. Yeah, that's the greatest question I think we get here on stream. That's been probably the most mind-boggling question. Is, hey, I love it when they come in and they say, hey, are we in a trade yet? Hey, are we in a trade right now? Well, we're in a trade. I don't know about you. Or does it look like we're in a trade? Right? If we're in a trade, you would obviously see we're in a trade. And you know chat wouldn't be moving at all because chat be quaking when we're in a trade. Chat goes from yap to just all of a sudden just like silence, and then this is pretty much all you hear is like, chat, are you there? Where'd you guys go? It's like, all right, everyone want to play, right? Like when you're a kid and everyone want to get in this trade, awesome, and then you go, hey, everyone want to play, and then it's like, hey, where'd all the kids go? All right, you guys be quaking a little bit when we get in trades. Buy or sell, sir.
It was a bad idea to put Nick's sound effects all over my Echo speakers in all my rooms. My wife is having to look this again.
So who you want to call with every morning again, honey?
Yeah, it's like 7 a.m. She's like, time for what?
Nick is quaking. Chappy trolling.
Miles in the house.
Chappy trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called.
Chappy doing a little bit.
Asai, don't worry. I'm your sensei. I'm here to tell you to take a deep breath, chill out. Everything's gonna be okay. All right. If you're not over risking, then you should be good to go. Quick commercial brought to you by the Time to Eat Trading. You got your Time to Eat socks on? No, but I do have them on correctly here today. Yes, I do. Are we at peak viewers? Are we? No. No, I think our peak viewers like 24 or 2,500. This is just regular degular.
Slight motion.
Show TradingView.
Somebody said that.
Show MT5. Show TradingView. Hey, which one you guys rather see, MT5 or TradingView? I think while we're just chilling, TradingView is probably best, and then when we get in trades, MT5. But hey, again, it's your world, chat. I'm just living in it, so you just let me know what you want to. Just let me know what you want to do, boss. How long you been friends with John, Jose, and Sam? John, 15 years. Sam,
15 years.
15 weeks. Jose, 15 weeks? Nah, maybe since September, right? We met, Jose?
Yeah, it was
I think we
around
met
like
in
November.
September. Yeah, November, September. So we've known each other for quite some time. And then me and Uncle Scalp have known each other for probably like 2 years now, I think, right? Something
Yeah,
like
since
that.
like 2021.
Nick, your excess is finished. Why? Hey, man, don't worry about what's in my cup. Don't worry about if I'm just chewing on ice. Let me chew on my ice, man.
Sounds like Lil Wayne intro song when you shake that cup.
It's my cup. Don't worry about what's in my cup.
Double up my styrofoam cup.
What's your profit split? What, my Forex funds is 85%. Yeah, you go from 75 to 80 on your second payout to 85 on your third, and then they stay 85. And you could do VIP too, which is 90. But my profit split for the funded trader for my 400k account is lit because that's at 92% for the life of that account. So that's why I jumped over, because they jumped all on it because they had a promo going. And I'm like, I'm in there. I am in for almost 2 weeks now. Hey, what up, Manny? Nick makes the laws. Yeah, we make our own rules around here, gang. A meditation sound as well. Pete the G is in the building. They got you with the promo. Yeah, promo, they did. I'm the Iceman. Yeah, spreads are pretty high on my Forex funds right now. Let's take a look. We turn on my handy dandy magic keys. If you guys don't have a magic keys, go get yourself a magic keys. Where's David? Where's that dude David? Maybe he can sell one for me. There is a link in the description for magic keys. I got 1 pip here. 1 pip spreads on gold right now. Can I still get 92% profit split? Oh, I don't know. You got to go on their website. Got to go on their website. I think that was for June. Yeah, I bought that the last week of June, I believe. Do you think you can make 2.5% in 25 days? Absolutely. You can make 2.5% in 1 day. First day here, nice to have friends. Hey, who am I? Who are you? Tell us who you are. Magic key. Oh, magic keys on screen is 14 per month. I never heard of that. That's not the case. Yeah, I believe that's $35 one-time fee. You might be getting the bootleg magic keys from the Scam Man.
The bootleg magic keys.
From Scam Man 1001. Yeah, nah, looks totally legit. Oh yeah, gold. Come on, close below here. Closure below your Goldie.
He's buying it from Raja Banks _01. That's who he's buying. Lemon, that's funny.
I am wrong trying to learn Forex by myself. After blowing everything, I realized how the markets work. There you go. Now you know. Now you can get all that money back. All of it back. It's coming back to you. Raja Banks _01.
Oh, it is 14 a month now. They changed it.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Interesting. What happens if you already have it? I couldn't imagine they make people that already paid for it and have a license for it.
That's
do a
crazy.
subscription. That would be
Raja,
interesting.
man. Trying to set up that subscription based. Raja. Shout out to Raja, man. The GOAT. I would literally be nowhere near where I am today if it was not for Raja. He changed the game, man. I watched that that free 5-hour YouTube thing, and I was hooked. I was hooked on the strategy from there. Incredible.
Yeah, Rajaw's the man, bro. He's the man.
Hey,
Some people were saying.
Go ahead, Sam.
I was just gonna say, some people said that they who already have it, they don't have to pay that monthly thing, which is good.
Oh, it's only for new customers?
I guess so.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, you guys should have bought it when Nick said.
Yeah.
Someone said that.
Hey, so I seen like a few of you guys just purchased signals. I need you to message me on Discord so I can add you to the signals channel. And then you guys are also gonna get the 2 months free. So right now we're still doing the promo. Buy any package of signals, you get 2 months for free. If you buy the 1-year version or the 1-year package, you get lifetime access to the signals, and then you get lifetime access to Zoom as well. So those are the only promos. Please do not, I'm gonna delete all this after today, but do not register for the Elite program. That link is no longer good to go. So we're probably gonna open that back up mid-September, or I may even take a 2-month hiatus or something from that. But yeah, please don't purchase that. Otherwise I have to send it back.
Do you still do the one-on-ones?
Yes.
Calls?
Yep.
Oh, you do? Okay, I was just wondering.
Yep. How's the name spelled? Roger? Roger Banks? Damn, so for $14.99, wow, do you get your on-screen magic keys, or do you get your Instagram verified? Is this you on the gram? Yeah, my Instagram is oh, we don't have it here anymore, but yeah, exclamation point Instagram. Don Bo says let's do value. Yep, I know. Yeah, this is probably the only promo we're gonna do, and I don't know. I just made it up one weekend and we just kept it rocking. Instagram, there's the IG. All right, perfect. Gold needs to push through these wicks here and then close below this range, and we're good. We're good.
Just wait on it though. Just wait on it.
I knew that this was gonna create a new range. I knew it. Me and John were talking last night about don't jump right away during Asian London at this break below, this close below, because I feel like there's gonna be a new range, and yeah, that's what we got. Gold is up later. Yeah, we expect this though, right? This is all expected. None of this is influencing us to do anything, because we know what we're looking for. We know that this is going to happen. We want to see a close below the level here, 1951, and then we'll look to take positions. Alright, my ice is just about done. Value is value, dog. Shouldn't be any promos. Well, you can do it that way when you have your community. You're not that guy. 15 minutes away from the 4-hour. Can you explain what the resistance is? Yeah, it's the 1-hour resistance here. Right there. Watch gold do hey, yo, Pablo. Watch the Bible study as well. Oh yeah, awesome. Yeah, tune into that. That's gonna be insane tonight. Incredible. I'm gonna be a student here tonight.
Same.
Oh yeah.
Excited.
Where can we take profit if we entered position on gold? Did you enter the position? Did you enter? Let us know. Thoughts on pound yen? Let's take a look. Yeah, GJ coming up. So this is another level in which resistance could be formed at to come back down. So if it didn't form here, it may form here. If it doesn't, then we could wait for a range 2 and possibly take buys going up. But pretty... Oh, wait, hold on a sec. We're bullish. That's right, we're bullish on pound yen. Oh, yeah. All right, cool. So we got a 4-hour support possibly. We need this 4-hour candle to close above here. Yeah, we want to see that 4-hour candle close above the resistance, and then we can come up. Because if we're creating support here, right, then the next candle should be able to drive up. Looking something like this. So we'll see what happens. Last 15-minute candle about to close. Yep. Yep. The zone won't allow me to join the war room. Oh, the time zone. Yeah, we'll record it, but it's tough for me to send it out individually, so I'll try and see if we can get it on Discord. Or we might start uploading them onto the YouTube channel in a separate playlist. As a new trader, any advice to trade in multiple markets or just stick to? Yeah, as a new trader, I would just recommend sticking to one session, if possible, and 1 or 2 pairs, and then just try and only take 1 or 2 trades a day. Yeah, that way you could limit yourself from over trading, over risking, and you could really learn one pair. I believe once you learn one pair, then everything is possible after that, right? If you know that pair really well, you'll be able to trade that pair really well, and that's what we've done here on gold. Gold has not closed yet, so just give it a few more minutes. We got 15 more minutes here for gold, and if this candle closed below, I would not take these sells. Last 15 of the 4-hour candle usually tends to pull back, so we needed to push forward here though. That's what we needed to do. We needed to drive a little bit more. Hey, yo, can we get to 1,000 likes before the 4-hour closure? There we go. Perfect. Yeah, these buys weren't bad. These buys were not bad.
Gold's exhausted.
Clean. GJ giving out 35 pips on this 1-hour candle, huh? Or the 30-minute candle, really? Very nice. The scalp, what do you think about swing trading? I think it's good. You just gotta learn how to do it good. I buy gold. Oh, whoa. After gold close, what's the next range? Yeah, so these are our ranges here on gold right now. You got the white range. Oh, you got the white range here. You've got the red range here. You've got the yellow range here. You've got the purple range here. And then you have the blue range down here. So these are your ranges here on gold today. So depending on where we close, that's where we can say, hey, we can take advantage of this range or that range. Any thoughts on US 30? Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the Dow here. Let's remove all drawings. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So we did close bullish last week, so very nice. Closed bullish, very nice, above this level of resistance. We have a lot of range to go up here now. A lot of range on US 30 to move up. I believe we're making a weekly bottom wick right now for price to break the high, fill this wick, and then continue up into that resistance level, maybe even fill that wick right there. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame did close bullish as well, and we did close above that level of resistance there. So yeah, it looks like we got a daily wick fill potentially in process. So we are bullish on the day. We have been pushing down here. We do know we have a support right down here to the left hand side. If we can get some sort of support formed down here, then I think we can look to take our buys coming back up. So we need a candle to tap in here, and then we need to see support being formed, right? If we can get that to happen, then we can look to take buys coming back up. So we'll see. But let's take a look at the 1 hour. Let's find this range here. Yeah, we got a nasty range here on the 30-minute time frame. So you got a support there, you got a resistance here, and we are just ranging at this point. Range, range, range. Let's look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour did close bullish. We did break the lows already. So yeah, I would wait for the 4 hour candle to close here. Let's see where that candle closes, and then we'll look to, you know, potentially take positions. And then we'll look at the NASDAQ as well here. So let's look at the weekly on the NASDAQ. So you are pushing up. I believe we are at that resistance level. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we closed a little bit below that resistance level. Although we did that, we are bullish on the weekly, but we did close bearish here on the daily time frame on Friday. So it looks like we've broken the lows already. If we come down and re-break these lows, very high chance we continue down. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Yeah, so we got a support here off the 4 hour. 4 hour did close bullish, and yeah, we are bearish on the day. So let's see how we could take sells here. I think yeah, I think sells are just best below here. See if that daily candle wants to reflip and break the lows, and then buys that are pretty clean above this level. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Very simple here on the NASDAQ here today. So let price do whatever it wants to do in this range. I would stay away from the range here today. No trade range in this red zone, and you know, I'll look to take sells below there coming down, or buys above here going up. And that's the day for the NASDAQ. Very, very simple. Can you please show us how to draw support, or wait, what? How to draw your zones? Like, just draw them? So I use a white line, right? This white line, horizontal line, right there. And then I use a rectangle, and then boom. And that's it. That's how I draw them. Simple. Okay, let's go gold. 9 minutes. What's simple? Everything. Everything. After gold closed below, what's the next step? Well, we got to see if gold closed below, right? And then the next step would be sell. But we still got to wait for what we're looking for, right? But everything looks really good on gold right now. Really good. Just wait on it. Hi there, Uncle Scalp. There you are.
Yo, yo, yo.
There he is. Beautiful picture in the background there, Pod. Beautiful.
I gotta change my background. My setup's gotta change this week.
Oh, snap.
I got the new desk coming.
Oh.
70-inch desk.
What kind of computer did you get?
I got an NZXT. A buddy of mine who's like a big like live streamer and gamer recommended it to me.
Dope.
Yeah. How you liking the Alienware?
So far, loving it, man. Super clean. Super duper clean.
Yeah, TK finally shipped. It's supposed to come in August. Came a month early, so I'm excited about it.
That's nice.
Yeah, and DXT is cool. I like it so far. I got the pre-built. I'm not really I don't know enough about computers to go ahead and build my own.
Build it yourself. Ooh, look at this. This thing is ripping, huh?
Like hardcore computer people would be like, got a pre-built. Shake my head.
You got a pre-built?
You got a
what
pre-built? And loser.
What a nerd. Freaking loser.
It's like car people. Like if you pull up with like a Lambo, they'd be like, guy doesn't even have a Supra. Got him.
Like Q now, he's like, yo, there's levels to exotic cars. Don't come out here with a base, you know, Lamborghini model right now. Come on. Oh, nice. Where's your stop loss? What stop loss? Which one? Oh, nice. The truth is, Nick, you changed my trading. Thinking I was mad at trading before. Oh, nice. Oh, good stuff.
I was exhausted.
What is the opinion about tattoos being a sin? Oh. Are they? Yeah, all my tattoos are biblical too. Everything is biblical. Everything biblical. Where will be your stop loss? Oh, I'm not too sure. We don't have that yet. So we don't have any information on the trade yet. All we know is that this candle's closing. So the most logical stop at this point would be up here, which is 16 pips away. So we're definitely not going to have that. So we need to see where the next candle creates a high, and then that'll be our stop loss. But we don't have that information here yet. Oh, God, I need to go search that up. So send me the scriptures and I'll go look. But I can't listen to old men, right? I got to listen to the word. So if you guys can bring that scripture to my attention, I'll go take a look. Yeah, the great part is, gang, that we don't live under the law anymore, right? We live under grace, right? It's the coolest thing in the world. But you still gotta, you know, still live in the law, but we live under grace now. Amen. Leviticus 19:28. All right, I'll take a look. What the heck is a hidden base? If tattoos are a sin, then eating ice cream better be one too, right? Some of the pastors be out here like, hey man, you're sinning over there. What are you doing to your body? Right? Yeah, sometimes the church, man, the church needs to get up out of the church and they need to get up on the streets. And they need to go be the church. M&M ice cream. Hey, leave ice cream alone. Hey, Joe Stewart. Yeah, amen, Santiago. Yeah, this is looking good. Let's see if we can pull back a little bit more here in the next 2 minutes, and we're going to be setting up very, very nicely here. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. We got a new 4-hour candle coming in hot.
It's time.
Love me some donuts. Cinnamon donuts. Let's see how this 4-hour candle's closing. Very nicely too. Look at this. If we close above this range, if you guys are in positions, you should be good for your runners. If anybody took buys off the 1-hour time frame, clean buys. Yeah, I don't know why. For some reason, I thought we were bearish here on gold. I mean, on pound yen. Don't know why that happened.
Yeah, Shad, you bet I'm smelling it. You bet I'm smelling that. Nick, did you set up that new mic yet?
No, not yet. I got it right here. I gotta wait till Thursday for a few things to come in.
Let's wait on it.
But just wait on it. We got the mic going now. Okay, cool. So we did get a candle to close. It did close below the range here. Perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this 4-hour open up for a few minutes. See if we can get a nice top wick on this candle. And oh, it looks like we have a 15-minute celery play here too.
Where would you like to see that top wick go?
Yeah, I want to see that top wick come into like 1950 here. Somewhere in this range. 1950 level would be ideal. Five-minute celery play. Ooh. Yeah, you got a nice 5-minute celery right out the gate. Let's see what happens. So if this is the low here, we've got 23 pip stops. Yeah, chat. I think I'm gonna have sell stops here at 1947, 640. Yeah, sell stops. Ooh.
You placed them.
Yeah, they're in. So sell stops at 1946. Hold on one sec. Sell stops on a break of the lows. So 1947, 640 here. That's where the sell stops are going to be. Stops are going to be above these current highs. Let me take a look at the previous candle here. Yeah, stops are going to be about 24 pips above the high here. And the entry is going to be on the break of the lows here. So sell stops on the break of the lows here, chat. Stops are going to be 1949, 980. 1949, 980. And then TP is going to be down here at 1940 even.
I literally sat down.
Hey, there he is.
All right, we're going to have sell stops. I literally sat down. I was like, yo.
Saying just in time.
Just in time.
Excuse me. All right, let's see if we get activated. So yeah, stops are gonna be above this high here, above the high. Now that we've came down, created a low. If we break that low again, then this is what our position is gonna look like. Something like that. Let's do this. So I'll put that back up if we get activated here. What does a bleeder mean? Oh, you might find out today.
You're about to find out. You're gonna learn today.
And then 1945, 437. That's gonna be our break-even point. Yeah, that's gonna be about 22 pips in profit. All right, so let's see if we get activated here. It pays to wait. What are magic keys now? Every day we learn. Oh, magic keys is a risk management tool that we like to use here at Time to Eat.
Yeah, chat. Say it like the Nightbot does. Bleeder. See how it spells it like that? That's why it does it. Bleeder. I'll go scalp. Say it.
Man down, we got a bleeder. Man down. We got a bleeder.
I got a bleeder. You guys smell that?
Give me 1 sec. I'm running to get water.
Micah.
But it gets so quiet.
What'd you say?
Why did it get so quiet?
I know, bro. I was checking my terminal.
Chat, y'all good?
Activated. I'm not in yet.
All right, I'm
Okay, I should be good. Oh, not yet. Can we get activated here? 1945, 437. Let's take a look.
Do I know if there's a way to set partial TPs? I think if you have magic keys you can, otherwise I don't think so. I could be wrong though. Google it. Somebody Google it.
Okay, we'll see if we get activated here. You can with magic keys. Okay, can we get activated? Come on.
I need the whole ocean now for this one.
Bring out the whole ocean.
Hello. Oh,
Hey, chat.
Tell them to bring me my money.
That one's actually mad funny.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Tell them to bring out the whole ocean.
Oh, chat is activated. Hey, chat. Y'all activated. Let's go. I should be activated in just a moment here. This thing's about to drop. Bring out the lotion.
Bring out the lotion.
I'm not activated either, chat.
Yeah, I'm not in yet.
You might have them too tight.
Gotta tighten
Tighten
up.
up. We both said the same.
Yeah, I came like 1 pip away from getting activated there. Well, less than a pip. Came very, very close to getting activated.
Yeah, me too, but
we should be good. As long as your stops are above here, that should be the high at this point, and we should re-break these lows here pretty soon. What do we got here? What time is it? 9:09? Okay. Yeah, we got a new 5-minute candle closing here, so. Tighten up.
I know I was about to type it in the chat.
Yeah, we should be good. We should start to get activated on this next 5-minute candle here.
What effects?
Okay, that should have activated me right there. Should be in this trade now. Yep, so I've been activated. So sell stops have been activated, got into some sells. Stops are going to be above the current candle high at 1950. Take profit's going to be down here at 1940, and then we'll probably manage our positions right here at 1945 as we approach this break-even level here. So that's the trade. We've done our job, and now we sit tight and wait for price to do its job.
And just wait on it.
Just wait on it. Yep, looks clean though.
This could be like a cannonball.
We outside. I have not been activated. Oh, you should be activated now. All right, so break even is going to be down here at this 1945, 330 or 437 here. $2,400 viewers. Hey, shout out to 2,400 of you guys pulling up here today. Welcome, welcome. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe now.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. Take a look at pound yen here. Yeah, GJ closed above too. For those taking buys here, not too bad.
Hey, welcome your daddy. New here, so far you love the channel. Hey, we love you, bruh.
Ladies and gentlemen, subscribe. On a call with JP? Yeah. Yep. JPZ. Are you in? Yes. Yeah, anytime this is on the screen, we are in. Or I am in. Everybody quaking. I'm in GJ buys too. Oh, nice, Sandman. Beautiful. Quick. Hey, Chad, as long as you're cool with your loss here, which you should be, then you should have no worries in this trade. Right? Trading is all about probabilities. Nothing is 100% in trading. You just have to execute on your edge and let the probabilities play themselves out. Simple. Let's mark this trade up in the meantime here. So this is a gold. Let's go to July. So what time is it? 9 a.m. pretty much. 9 a.m. We got 7. What's today? 17? 7/17. 23. This is going to be a gold. Position here on gold. Sell. Breakout. Current low. This is a pretty much 1 hour, 4 hour type of position here. Full risk, and then that's it. We'll see what happens. But we got an 85% win rate on this trade here. Will we be 85 today, or will we be the 15%? We'll see. If we do close bearish though, we should have really nice volume coming in at 9:30 to continue to push us down.
Yeah, for sure. If we could get to that 9:30, we'll be good.
Yeah. What website are you using? That's just a template. Yeah, you can find that template in our Discord. It's under the announcement section. Clean rain, sir? Yeah. Yep. My tears are coming down. Yo, chat's quick. And
Somebody said heartbeat sound.
you guys are too funny.
You do the heartbeat, bro.
Chat. Yo, good? Just hit. Oh, nice. Nice job on GJ. Yeah, let's see what that did. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Yeah, that was a good position. He had that closure above and then the push up. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Quick and whenever he does the heartbeat.
Somebody said I can't breathe, Nick.
Chill. Yeah, take a deep breath.
Then you probably should not be trading.
Stretch it out.
Trading may not be for you.
It's all probabilities.
I was actually watching a video on poker, Sam, and I forgot the guy's name, where he was like, he bluffed him so hard into like putting 60,000 in. It was crazy though.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, dude, it gets wild. It's probably like Eric Peterson.
It gets wild in the poker field. Hey, chat, breathe. Breathe, chat. Loosen up them shoulders here, gang. You should never be worried about a given trade. Seriously. Deep breaths, like Red FX says. Deep breaths.
Hey, yo, Lemon.
coming up. Oh. Oh, are we breaking the high here? Oh, we may get stopped here, gang. We may get stopped. Yeah, my stops are sitting like right there. Oh, did we get stopped? Oh, we're right on it. Oh, okay. Got stopped on that, gang. Stops have been hit.
Dun dun dun.
Drink some water, gang. Don't worry, it's okay. You're okay. All right, so let's do this. First real loss in about a month and a half here.
Nope.
Not bad. Let's go to mark this up. Let's do. So we lost. I believe it was 24 pips on that. Let me just double check here. Yeah, 23 pips. So 23 pip loss here on gold. Let's bring this back up. Negative 23. Negative 23. Negative 23. And
this range is so nasty.
all right, yeah, so that's the first real loss we've taken. This I don't consider too much of a loss because I don't think anyone took that but me. But the loss before that was yeah, in May. So we were due for a nice little L. So perfect. Glad we got stopped out here and didn't come all the way up here. But this is where I wanted to see that top wick, remember? 1955 zone up here. So we'll see what happens.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it. Give it a second chance. Don't worry. Yeah. We gotta wait for a. So maybe come 9:30, we give this trade a second chance. We'll see. No rush though to give this trade a second chance. 2% loss. Yeah, no worries. Yep, the one day, you see how the one day we don't wait for 9:30? See what happens? All the days we let 9 a.m. go, the last couple days, it just ran, right? Just ran on us, so. Upper wick form. Yeah, that's what we needed, the 4-hour top wick. So we'll see. We'll see if this trade deserves another chance or not. Still got range to go, but let's see how this 30-minute candle closes here. Shall I keep my stops at the same spot? I didn't get activated last time. No, you got to adjust the stops now. So your stops now have to be upwards toward like 1951 there. Yeah. Check wagon.
July's nasty.
I was like half a pip to get activated. Ooh. Yeah, so now we'll see what this candle does and where we close, and if we go back in the range, that's probably gonna suck. Wait on it. What's at the bottom? Was that Batman? It might have been Batman. Yeah, let's take a look at US 32 here. Oh. Yeah, you got the close above. It looked like the candle never made a bottom wick, and now it's coming down. Coming down to make that bottom wick. Let's see here. Next trade will be next week. Oh, we'll see. Now the haters gonna hate. Haters gonna hate. Pretty good. Yeah, some of you guys really don't understand trading.
Yeah.
Really don't. Hey,
I was just gonna
by
say.
the things you guys say in the chat, it shows me where you're at as a trader. So you just expose yourself when you say stupid stuff like that.
Yep. If you took a loss here, it should be no problem. You know, it was 1, 2, 3%, whatever, and then you just go to the next setup. You know, are you gonna be disciplined and wait for the next high probability setup that's gonna give you a high probability of winning, or are you gonna try and gamble and try and make it back?
Yep. And now we go on a new win streak here.
Yep.
So we need a loss every now and then. Right? We took a loss in May. Last trade of May, and then we came back in July or June and just pounced on the market.
Yep.
Straight W. So you gotta be able to take your losses like a man or a woman and keep it moving, right? We don't take many. We don't take too many. Yeah, you guys are emotional. No emotions should be in trading, right? Let's see, what did we lose? We lost 2,400. Do you see me crying like a little baby? Chat is gonna be the same even in the year 2050. Yeah. Be a man. Is there any reason that this didn't play out, or it's just the market? Yeah, I think this was just a probability, you know, one of those probabilities. We could have waited for 9:30, which we normally would do, but today everything looked good to continue down. The momentum was there. You know, if we would have got activated, pushed down here, we would have been expecting 9:30 volume to continue to push us down. So that was what we were anticipating on that trade. And no worries, you know, I think it's just probability. We just weren't on the right side of probability this time. But we did our job, right? We did what makes us profitable, which is sit tight, wait for our setup to show up. We did that. We waited for a top wick. Price broke the lows, and yeah, that's all we could do, right? Everything else goes into the hands of probability at that point. Don't celebrate the wins and don't dwell on the losses. Exactly.
Yep.
Exactly. And if you jump up and down for your wins, then you're going to be really mad about your loss, right? Yeah, we didn't miss anything. This was I would take this trade again. I would take this trade any day of the week. This trade gives us an 85% win rate. So I would have no problem taking this trade any day of the week. I think probabilities just weren't on our side. Maybe we could have waited for 9:30 and volume to come in, but that's besides the point. You know, we did get in. So other than that, I just think, you know, probabilities just wasn't there for us this time.
Yeah, we have good probabilities too.
Yeah, we do. Why do you still trade support and resistance? Bro, show me your P&L, bro. I want to see Ahmed's P&L. Show me what you trade.
What do you trade?
Send us a picture in the Discord and don't screenshot it like the rest of these Instagram guys. And now we get more probabilities. Yeah. 30 minutes typically what we would wait for there, but we didn't do that.
He goes, learn something real.
Go learn something real.
Real like what? Ichimoku Cloud?
If you say you would take it any week, where is the setup? You did not trade your setup, no entry candle, you saw momentum and jumped right in. What in the world are you talking about, bro? Jumped right in? Had buy stop set after waiting for a top wick and breaking the current low. What you talking about, Willis?
Jumped right in. It's literally 10 minutes deep into the candle.
Okay, I've been activated. Hey gang, just remember, you're on my stream, right? If you could do this on your own, you would be. The haters would be doing it on their own, but I know he's using a demo account. Bro, it says live account right here.
Clicking.
What do you can you pull out $6,500 from a live account? Come on, bro. Remember, the things that you say tell me where you're at as a human and as a trader. Don't expose yourself. Yeah, we might get another rip at this at 9:30. We'll see. Chat spicy. Yeah, if we close below here, well, I'm gonna probably take a re-entry on the break of the lows there. Chat got Joe Biden. Yeah, now we got a 90% setup coming up. That's right, Shiro. Just curious, wasn't it the news? No. No, we had news at 8:30. Okay, so we got a 30-minute close here. Let's take a look. Looks like we have a potential 30-minute celery play coming up. So let's take a look at this. Yeah, this looks pretty clean to me. So I'm gonna retry this trade here. Sell stops at 1947 for 400. Yeah, 1947 400. We do have a 30-minute celery play potentially. Stops are going to be on the highs of this current candle here. So this is not a revenge trade. This is a trade lining up with our playbook here. So what I'm going to do is lower my lot just a little bit to an 8 lot. Yeah, it looks pretty good. 9:30 coming in. If we break those lows, we should continue downtown. If not, we may want to push up here. But we did close below these levels here. So we should still be in good positions to continue down here today. So let me set that up. Yeah, so that's going to be my sell stop. So sell stops at 1947 here. 1947, 440. Did I say 400? 440. Stops are going to be up here at, excuse me, 1950, 500. Hold on, let me move this. Yeah, this is what the position's going to look like. So stops right here at 1950, 622. Okay, 1950, 622. Entries are going to be 1947. Same entries as before that I just brought up. And then TP is going to be, you know, somewhere down here. But we do have volume. If we break those lows, we shouldn't have any problem continuing down here today. And then I'm going to go break even. I'm going to move stops to break even right around 1945. 400, but I'm not going to close anything. Just going to go break even there. And that'll be the trade. So we'll see if we can get activated again here. Nobody is 100%. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can get activated. Cells still look very clean to me. Let's see. Doom, doom, da, doom. Can we get activated? Oh, I just passed phase 1. Let's go, Red FX. Let's go. Good stuff.
Let's go, RedFX.
Good work.
I'll smell that.
Yeah, I might have to go 6 lots here, gang. Instead. Yeah, that's better. All right, cool. Yep, so let's see if we can get activated here. Can we get activated? I'm on a 300K funded. Oh, nice. Full margin. Oh, we might have got slipped there. Oh, pretty decent entry. All right, let's see what happens. So, okay, cool. So I've been activated here, chat. So got into some sell stops. Stops are going to be at the current high of the 30-minute candle. TP is going to be down here at 1940. And we'll most likely go break even right at this point here. Probably won't close any partials. We'll see about that. But definitely going to move stops to break even right around that 1945 area there. So that's the trade. That's the trade.
Now we just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
This is the higher one, right? Set up.
Yep, and now this one gives us a 92% win rate over the 85% win rate. We do have volume coming in on our side, so I think
It's time!
oh, I think it could be time. First sell stop that got activated since a while. Yeah, it's been a minute. It's been some time. RIP headphone users. Sorry. I got scared. Yeah, you guys thought you wanted good microphones, huh? Yeah, let me lower down Bruce. I forgot that man's loud. A little bit too loud.
It's nice and quiet on the Zoom.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Like
Oh yeah.
You guys playing your music on there or what?
I just keep it quiet.
I got the stream music on.
Sam's got the exact same part in the soundtrack.
I wish. That'd be crazy. No, not Bruce Banner. Bruce Buffer.
Bruce Banner.
Who said
Remember Bruce Banner? Oh my god.
Edo Chart.
Bruce Banner.
Bruce Buffer.
I haven't heard of that dude in a minute.
Bruce Banner.
Alright, we're just waiting on volume here. Once that kicks in, we should go for a ride here. Let's see here. Why decrease your lot size? Oh, because you know, I trade a funded account, so I still gotta keep an eye out on that max daily drawdown. Celery play from Don Bo. Yep. Yeah, exactly. I mean, the name, yes, but remember, these patterns have been around for years and years and years. Where's all the silly questions at? Yeah, everything gets quiet now.
Chat's quaking.
Yeah,
I wonder how many people like complained about the first trade and then like took the second one.
Then took the second one again.
They're like, all right, let's trust the YouTube guy one more time. I'm gonna give him one more chance.
I have a question. Oh, I may have an answer. May have an answer for you. All of them took both trades. Oh yeah, I bet. Still holding the first trade? Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah, this one should take us down, being that we closed below the range. We should still continue down. It's all about risk management, yes. They're like, give me my dopamine, man. You're not that guy. Smell that?
Oh, I smell it. Smells good.
Looking left, there's a resistance on the 15. Are we concerned? I'm not too concerned. We did break the lows here on a 30-minute celery at 9:30, with volume should be coming into the market here. So we're kind of just holding up right now.
It looks perfect. We had that 30-minute close bullish,
Technically,
and it wicked right at support, and then it continued down, so it looks perfect.
Yeah, looks good.
Technically, it's clean too on the 15, coming down to a 1943.
Yeah.
Too.
Yep.
Because it's like it made a resistance there, but the most recent to the left is clean.
Ooh. It's a sleeper.
Slaver.
Don't. Yeah, the only way I'll close this now is if we close back above this level here. As long as we close below, I think we should be good to go. But if we do close back above, I may exit the position. So we'll see. We'll see how it all works out here. This is suicide. $30 looks good, yeah. Deep breaths, gang, deep breaths. Real deep.
I'll smell it.
Yeah. If you have a buy, just rotate the screen. Let's hold hands, chat. Hey, let's hold hands, chat. Bruce Banner. Just wait on it. Yeah, 1 hour looks pretty good too. 4 hour looks very good.
There we go.
Would you look at that? There it goes. All right, stop. Chat, I'm gonna move my stops to break even at this point, making it a risk-free trade. I did not close any partials yet. Let's see if this thing could start to push down now. We've tapped into that area. Let's see if we can start pushing down from here. Let's see. Let's see. Don't tap us out. Don't do it. Oh, okay. Tap that at break even. So break even trade right there for me. Not sure if you guys are holding that position still, but I just went break even. Got tapped at break even there. Put some weights on it. Third time's a charm. Yeah, I mean, we should continue down. Buyer sale. Yeah, that was the area in which we wanted to secure a little bit of, or at least make our trade risk-free at that point, right? Because we had a lot of wicks come into that area and pull back up. Pull back up, pull back up. So that was the area in which I wanted to go risk-free at that point and see if we can get a drive below it, but we'll see what happens here. 30 still looks really clean if we close below that level. Let me mark that one up too here. So that was July 7. Gold. Sell. That was a celery play. 30-minute half. BE. BE on this lovely Monday. Oh, what happened there? Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, man. This thing keeps disappearing. The heck? I'm gonna have to put 0. Oh yeah, what am I doing? BE goes over here. Duh. Alright, yeah, that was break even for me. Yeah, that was the rule I wanted to keep. Stops to break even at that point. I'm totally fine with that break even.
Yeah, and if you're still holding, I've seen some people say they're still holding, you should definitely be break even right now.
Yep. Yeah, we should get some volume, man. I was really expecting a real nice drive on that position.
Yeah. Well, the reason I say that is because it's like this 15, it needs to drive down and break the lows of the previous.
Yep.
If it doesn't, then it's literally just gonna flip and drive up, and then it's gonna be the bottom.
Yep.
There.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I didn't want to take any partials there. I wanted to see if we can get that position to run. So.
Yeah.
Are you FOMO? Yeah, break even now is a good idea. Yep. Why I took half risk? Because I'm on a funded account, so I want to make sure I'm abiding by the rules. That was a 92% win rate trade, and you didn't have confidence holding? No, I had confidence. I didn't close anything. I moved stops to break even right here because it's a rejection zone, gang. Come on, you gotta look left. Smarten up. See how many times price came here? Tapped into here and rejected. Tapped in, rejected. Tapped in, rejected. You gotta, I don't listen to my emotions. I listen to the markets. And the markets say every time we came down to this level, we rejected it. So that's the reason why I would move my stops to break even there. Now, I didn't close anything because I believed in the trade that we would continue down, but I'm also not going to be, you know, blind to the fact that every time we came there, we rejected, right? Yeah, again, yeah, break even, yep. Yeah, let's fix it up here. So we gotta go to let me fix this too. So that is our 14th loss of the year and our 7th break even of the year. So not too bad. Let's fade that in. And then, yeah, look at that. See that pullback?
Yep. That's what I'm saying. Look at that 15, bro. It's really just flying up. Came down, missed the lows. It's just going up.
And that's why we moved our stops to break even. Mr. Smarty Pants. My account's almost cleaned out after those 3 trades. Oh man. Gang, your account should not be almost cleaned out. Like, you should just be risking 2 to 3% of your account. Bro, after you take every trade, you drop the best knowledge. Thanks a lot. Oh yeah, my pleasure. What do you think of Don Bo? Oh, we love Don Bo. Yeah, Don's great. Great dude. Taught me a lot. So yeah, look at that rejection. So was that smart or was that smart to go break even? Very interesting. 2 very, very high probability setups today. Both came back on us. Very interesting.
Interesting, yep.
Yeah, 1 hour pulling back now. 4 hour pulling back. Yep. Yeah, nothing we could do about that. I think we played that perfect. I think we played it perfect.
100%.
We took our first entry on the break of the 4 hour low. Well, let me go back here. Right, stops were clean. They were back above the highs. Price tapped us out there. Next thing we did, we took a 30-minute celery at 9:30 a.m., which we have very good, very, very high win rate with. And that one pulled back on us too here. So very interesting Monday here in the markets here on gold. Yeah, US 30 is getting ready here. Very smart. Would you prefer break even or an L? Yeah, exactly. I think that would have hit stops right there, right? Almost. Our stops are above that high. Yeah, you want to have losses, gang. Listen, gang, remember, your Instagram guru who says he has a 100% win rate, I promise you, he doesn't have a 100% win rate. I promise you. Every single trader is going to take losses. The fact that you guys are upset taking a loss is just mind-boggling to me. Why are you trading? Last 15 usually pulls back. That's right, Joe Stewart. The groomsmith is in the building. Let's see here. GJ was the way to go today. Looks like it, huh? Yeah, 30-minute push on pound yen was really nice. Yeah, look at that. Just yeah, the one from the 1 hour support here, that was pretty clean. Coming back up. Very nice. What is the stream, Nick? Well, you're looking at it. For some reason, the trades that look the cleanest. Oh, I don't know. Me no speak English. Just like in life, you're gonna have losses. There you go. I'm floating 50 pips on a GJPY. Hey, nice job, man. That's beautiful. John promised me. I took half partials, got stopped at break even. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I didn't want to take anything because I expected this to really run, but I did know that this was a rejection area, so that's why I moved stops to break even and was looking for a runner to go. Yeah, I've been spoiled with so many wins over the last few months. It's good to experience a loss. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, some of you guys are getting too comfortable. Like most of our trades we get in and it just goes straight into profit. So when it takes a little bit of time or we take an L, you guys are a little upset. Hey, what's up, the groomsmith? Man's in Morocco. $2% loss. Oh, 2% loss should not fail your phase 2 account. That doesn't make sense. It should be 5%. Yeah, all you could do every day is follow your plan. As long as you follow your plan, you'll have long-term success, right? Look at the history here. As long as you follow your plan, you will win much more trades than you lose.
Yep, 2% loss or whatever here today, but what about all the other trades?
Light work.
And it's just on to the next one. On to the next one.
When you're using price action, does the market trend matter? Yeah, it still matters. You know, it still matters. It's a part of market structure, so. US30, we still need a closure on US30. Yeah, no close yet. Great day to learn control over your emotions. We did it. Yeah, exactly. This is what we do every day. What broker do I use? I use Traders Global. So they're the broker that my Forex funds uses. Plus 1%? Oh, nice job. Can you check US30? Yeah, US30, you need to wait for a candle close here. You got a closure coming up in like 2 minutes. You got another resistance right here though. New headset? No, not yet. My new headset will be here on Thursday. I had to order it. They didn't have any silver in the store. They had every color but that color. Come on. Lost the first trade, recovered in the very next trade. Nick, I'm with you, my boy. Hey, yo, Harris. What up, Harris? Best thing to do now is revenge this on the next 1 hour, yeah. Hey, what up, Dr. Dollar? What's up, bro? I'm trying to learn the trading style. Yeah. Hey, Dr. Dollar. Hey, they're quaking over one loss here, man. One loss in the last month and a half. The chat's quaking.
Crazy.
Ask Dr. Dollar if losses are part of the game. He's another professional trader. Are you gonna go for a 1 hour trade? Nah, probably not. Probably not. Let's take a look here. Yeah, looked good. 30-minute celery play, drove down, hit our break-even point, and pulled back up. So some of you guys that didn't want to hold because of your ego, you now hit full stops. Not fun. Hey, show a W for Dr. Dollar. Put some doves in the chat for Dr. Dollar.
Waller.
Some moldy.
Waller.
Waller.
Walker Waller.
Oh, nice. This is my first trade with you. Lost it. Ready to do it again. Yes, sir. Yeah, I would take these same exact positions all day. Right? First position, let's go over it real quick. First position, we had a close below this level here on a bearish day. Break of the lows. We got in this position. Price came up, stopped us out. No problem. Next, what did we do? We waited for a 30-minute candle to close. It closed bullish back below the range. We had ourselves a 30-minute celery play, got activated, hit our break-even point, pushed back up, managed risk perfectly there. Perfectly. So that's it. You know, we would take those trades over and over. Like the first trade has an 85% win rate. The second trade has a 92% win rate. Just probabilities, I guess, were not in our favor here today. And guess what, gang? Nothing you can do about that. That is trading. Oh, nice. Didn't close the first trade. Oh, cool. My total combined prop firm cap, I only have 100K. I have a 400K account too, but that's not live yet. That's still under the challenge phase. So pretty soon I'll have 500,000 under management here. Yeah. Yup. Not gonna lie, those trades look good. Yeah, they did. They look real good. Goldie said, we ain't playing with you today. What time is it? 10? Yeah, so the 1 hour did close up. Definitely no 1 hour celery play here at all. I do not see that. We are now stuck. So now we are stuck in this range here, and we may range for the remainder of the New York session here, right? This is the range we're currently messing around in. We can't seem to get out of it. So we may start to range here for the rest of the session. May start to range. Did you trade the 400K as well? Yes. Yeah. I took a loss on that one too. 2% loss. Just like here. 2,400. Lost let's see. I think it was like 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. Yep.
These streams seem so impatient. It must be your first time here.
Yeah, probably your first time here. Let's see here. 400K risking. No, I use 40 lots, so whatever we play out to. But yeah, chat, I think that's gonna do it here. That's gonna be the day. Yep. Gave it an attempt. No bueno. Gave it a second attempt. Break even. Can't do much more here today. I think we're gonna range a bit now. Stay below 1951 here and between 1945, and that's probably gonna be the day.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I don't think we'll see much action. If I do take any more trades, I will obviously call those in the signals channel. But yeah, that's it. That is it.
Yeah, W date.
He's risking nothing. Demo account funded traders. Okay, my friend, you're on my stream, and this is a live account, my boy. Live account. Pulled out almost 7,000 2 days ago. How much have you pulled out? Ho! Gang.
Oh!
Love y'all. That was a good day. Very good day. Straight up discipline to the playbook. Played our game to the T, and that's all we could do. And Sam's out.
Sam just disappeared.
All right, cool. Hey, guys in Zoom. Love you guys. Uncle Scout, John, Jose. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Chat. Love you, chat. We'll see you mañana. And go out and have a great day here today. I'm going to go get a haircut. I'm going to go do a few things. Go out and have a great day. Don't dwell on your loss. And please, please, please don't be a rookie and try and revenge this thing. And gang, by the way, don't miss tonight's Bible study. It's going to be absolute gem after gem. I believe God has a message for you here tonight. And you do not want to miss it. So we'll see you guys tonight. And the rest of you guys will see you tomorrow on the live stream. All right.
All right. See you next. See you, Uncle
Jose.
Scalp.
Later, boys. Chat.
Yeah, see you later, Nick. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, brother. Chat. Love you guys. I'll holla at you. Peace. W's. Yep. W's coming.